Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 412, technical analysis edition for crypto and stocks. And XRP is mooning again now. If you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also join us on Twitter. Thank you, Jake, for being here. Hey, where am I? Where are we headed? Well, we're going to try to address that today in the stream. Thank you for being here. Jake saying, hope you've been taking XRP profits. Yeah, close to, man. Close to taking some of those profits. I took a little bit the other day. Put it back in. Still running, so, still doing really, really good right now. Litecoin looking good too. Yeah, dude, Jake, Litecoin is looking good as well. There's a couple projects that are looking really good. XLM is also looking really good. A lot of crypto, dude. Ethereum, dude, over what was it today? Like, did it get over? Yeah, it's over 600, right? So we're looking at like really, really bullish conditions. And we talked about that yesterday. Dapper Romeo, how's it going? What's up, player? XRP to 28. You in at 28, $2,000. That's awesome, bro. You're doing really, really good right now. Tiberius Smack, can I pay you for personal advice? No, Tiberius, I do not give personal advice. I'm not a financial investor. $200 for one session. Dude, no, I cannot do it. Thank you for the money, though. Thank you for the offer. If you want, you can ask whatever you want here, and I'll address it live. And then if you feel like you want to tip me for it, then you can give me a tip. But I will not be doing personal advice. Hi, Rafaela. What's up, amigo? How's it going, man? Yo, so what's going on with market cap? Wow, a lot of shit going on. You have about 10,000 startup. You need some help? Well, sure, man. I mean, we can try to help you out, but in the end, it's up to you. You risk, you're new to the game. That's awesome, bro. Thanks for being interested in crypto. Again, it's gonna be entirely up to you and what you're have you done your own research? Do you know what projects you want to get into? Why you want to get into those projects? Do you believe they're gonna go high? Or they have a shot of going higher? There's a lot of hype in this market. You just gotta be careful. But yeah, I could, I can chat with you. I would not pay you for I would not accept any money, right? Because I'm not a financial advisor. But I could we could discuss projects if you want, and you can ask about them live here, and that's the open forum. You can join us on the Discord. You can PM me on the Discord also, and I'll talk to you or try to see if there's something I can help you with. But yeah, it's awesome, dude. Dapper Romeo, 100% possible new high. Yeah, probably, dude. We're looking at all that stuff today, man. It's really good stuff. I'm gonna open with market cap, and then I'm gonna move on to XRP because it pumped insane yesterday again, 30+%. Then I'm gonna move over to XLM, and then I'm gonna go Bitcoin and the rest of the show because some of these small cap, some of these altcoins have done massive moves. So today the show is gonna go a little bit different. We're gonna go with the champs of movement and for yesterday's or today's closing actually, and we're gonna discuss that. Anyways, SoCal, I'm afraid of XRP crash like it always does. Yeah, dude, I'm also getting that bad vibe. Jaime Farrell buying that 46 yesterday, caught today's pump. Never selling like that again. Dude, I'm glad you got in. You got out a little bit higher, right? So you probably got more XRP there. And I'm happy that you probably did that. We discussed that potential moving down. And that's awesome. Let's start with this show. Let's get it on the road. Tiberius, if you want to join us on YouTube and ask stuff there, that's awesome. Join us on the Discord. The link's on the YouTube description. I'm pretty sure Jake can also post it on the chart. On the chat. And you'll be able to join us there. Yeah, let's get the show rolling, dude. What's happening with market cap? Look, last time we called was for this potential movement down, right? We did get that small move down, then pumping back up. Again, we're still from way back here, still developing this strong bearish divergence. It just hasn't kicked in. And like I told you guys, market conditions are extremely bullish. So, the bearish conditions or the bearish divergence has a lesser chance of playing out. Now, we have been on this nice movement to the upside. Like I said, coming in lower here. And for me, this is too much data, right? This is covering way too many time periods. On the daily, we're looking at, over 100, I think. We did this the other day. It was 115 bars. So about 115 days. It's too much because for the RSI, we were in 14 days, right? The last 14 days. So obviously, this has a lesser chance of playing out because it's relying on different data. But, this is the technical previous high. This is the new high that we're making. And again, we have that bearish divergence. Like I said the other day, it might not play too strong. Short time scale, everything's good, right? From here to here, we're all rallying. From here to here, we're rallying. From here, we're rallying. Everything's good, man. Nothing bearish right now. Extremely bullish conditions for the market. Overbought at 81.66 on the RSI, dude. That's it for market cap. So confident XRP correction like it always does. Go hard or go home. So I've been holding for 2 years. 100% possible new high. Yeah, dude. Well, let's talk about that. Let's go to XRP, man. XRP gaining market dominance. We haven't looked at dominance in a while, right? But look at how much dominance is gaining. It's at 5%. Is that good? Dude, it would be much better if XRP's dominance was above 8%. We have been above 5% before. And still in 2019, we were like at 12%. So getting dominance is good. It just means we're holding a little bit more market share. But again, sometimes it's completely unrelated to market or to price action. Right now, we're losing a bit of that dominance, you know. Yesterday gaining 33%, today losing 2.12%. XRP sitting at 60 cents, 60.54 cents. Is that good? Yes, dude. We got above 58.720. That was one of the targets. We were looking at other stuff yesterday. We're looking for this potential bearish divergence. I think we might have just killed it with yesterday's pump. 91.37, 91.44. Again, yeah, we did kill this bearish divergence on the daily. We don't have any bearish divergence on the daily, but we are extremely, extremely overbought. We're really high. We're at 89.21 right now. That means that we got to cool off. How do we cool off? We flag and consolidate. We move down in price, or we at least start to get sideways motion. And that sideways motion, you know, slowly resets the oscillator. I would rather have a quick reset and the bounce than just, you know, flag here for a long time. Because sideways motion could get us into like a sideways market. And, you know, while it will be good to be at this new high, it could stall things out. You know, we're in bullish conditions. I still think we could go higher. But we'll get a pullback, I think. Maybe a little bit more. And why we're doing XRP? Because it gained 38.10% yesterday. And 2 days ago, it gained 40%. In the month, just this month, XRP has gained 153.81%. That is a lot of dough. If you put in like $100 at the beginning of the month, you would have had about $250 right now, or something along that line, right? So again, very, very strong market conditions right now. So very, very good for XRP. Let's go to the daily. Dapper Romeo saying today high at 66. Jake's posting in the Discord. Thank you, Jake, for doing that. Yeah, dude. Let's look at this, right? So yesterday we were talking about like the moves, right? And you know, the other day we run this you know, channel. I think we had something around here. I can't remember, but I remember that we had hit both targets, and I'm not sure if I deleted something here around that 49.50 cent mark. I left it off, right? So I can't remember if I had something here. Maybe in the 4 hour we did run that, and I'm just confusing it with the daily. But you know, we're going higher. Yeah, if we manage to close above that 58.720, that is this blue line here, next target, and this is a smaller target that I have here. That 65.637. It's a smaller target that I had to go hunt for, because it's a huge window for a clean shot to 272.575. So I do believe we're gonna hit some sort of resistance before we actually run again. Although before I had this channel completely open, right? Just like we run it here, we run the whole channel and above, right? So I'm thinking we could still go higher, right? If we close here. I do have this dotted line here. That is an alert. It's been triggering like crazy today. I'm watchful if we break below that 60 cent mark, right? That 60 cent mark is going to be key to psychological support right now. We've broken it below it a couple times, managed to pull back up, which is good. But breaking this line, I mean, it just gives me a warning to come back in and check, because, you know, we're probably going to be moving for this resistance, for this support at 58.72. I'm worried about a potential crash happening. Spectre 9, what's up? I'm not showing my screen today. Oh, dude, sorry about that. I thought I was going to show my screen. Maybe I forgot to, like, switch it over, dude. Thank you for letting me know. There we go. Let's go back to market cap real quick. I always show my screen. Let me know if I don't. Sometimes I forget to switch screens. Anyways, look, bearish divergence, right? Again, coming in higher, coming in lower, potential movement down on market cap, sitting at $550.0 billion. Yesterday we managed to pump 3.52%, approximately $18.61 billion. Sorry about that, guys. I mean, yeah, shit. Then market cap on XRP, right? Look, we're going insanely high. Back here is 2019, right? Look, we were at 12%. So 12% market dominance. Right now we have very little market dominance at 5.02. Ripple on the daily. Look, the monthly, like I was saying, right? Monthly is going insanely high, 154.09%. to the upside, the daily. What's happening on the daily? Look, we got this massive pump, right? 38.10. We don't have any kind of bearish divergence. We managed to go higher. We also went higher on that RSI. All things are good for XRP right now. It doesn't have anything bearish. The only thing I don't like is that we're highly overbought. XRP make me happier today. Yeah, it made me happier, dude. Use your imagination. Now, let me know, dude. Sometimes I forget to do that. So now I'm going to have to go and like edit the video after it's done, so it doesn't look like I was just talking to the screen, right? On the 4-hour, man. What is happening with the 4-hour XRP? Well, I was looking for some bearish divergence earlier today. Do we still have it? I think we might have broken it. 1471, right? I'm just looking at the last digits here. 1471. 1467. 7167. Slightly less. We have it here against the RSI. And we are coming in higher here on the 4-hour. Thus, we are creating strong bearish divergence for a potential movement down. This candle, dude, has been a tricky candle to play. I've been tempted to sell on break below 60 to try to catch the falling knife down here. So I do believe there's a chance. I don't think we're going to come down here to the 20 on the 4-hour or the 20 on the daily. But I do believe we could break that for that 20 on the 1-hour chart. And we're going to look at that in a second. We're still overbought at 83.75. So again, we're very high on that overbought scale. That we need to cool off, right? We had a chance to cool off here. We did come hit that bought area and then bounce again, which was good. So we could pull something similar here, right? We could stall a little bit, maybe try to regain this area, conquer it, and then run up again. I moved something because I'm positive that I had something here because yesterday when we were talking about running this channel, we were hitting both parts. Maybe I moved this down, I can't remember, but I was positive that we might have had something around here. So I remember like saying, look, we went all the way from the bottom to all the way to the top, right? And we were on the channel. I think it might have been even here. So I'm not sure, dude. I'm gonna have to go and look at yesterday's stream to make sure what we were thinking, what we had charted. But leave that there for now and check it out. Think of dropping another 2K on XRP, dude. I will say it's up to you, but right now I'm thinking about getting the hell out of Dodge, dude. I do believe we could get a movement down to consolidate and then maybe run again. So right now I'm a little bit cautious. We've just been moving up extremely high, extremely quick, and that tends to come with like strong pullbacks. It's not healthy. What's happening right now, it is a bull run, but it's not healthy, right? What's healthy is when we're running up and in steps, so it's staggered. Like we're consolidating, running up, consolidating, running up, consolidating. This is just a run up, dude. There's nothing on the daily. It just looks insane, dude. Like not even parabolic. Like we're just going like exponential, dude. Like it's just so quick. I'll get the small curve here. I'll toss it here on the daily just for fun, we're doing something like this, man. Let me go here and I'll adjust that curve. I don't want to adjust the curve much, but there we go. Yeah, it's something weird, dude. So I'm not even sure I want to call this parabolic, dude. We just like went ballistics, dude. This just went like to the moon again, right? So that's why this is the call again to the moon on XRP. Yo, 86 cents is the first target. Yeah, dude, I have a target here at something slightly higher, dude. 86 cents is the first target for a retrace. Yes, you're correct. On a fifth nodes, yes, we're looking for a retrace at 236, and that's at 86 cents, dude. If we get there, there's a chance we could try to reject. And I will be looking for a play here on a movement down, basically in a rejection of this area, because we're going to go up extremely quick. We got to reject, probably. Although XRP, look at how it went here, right, on 2017. I'm hoping we don't do something like this. I don't want to see another crash. But this move, I'm willing to play with. Right, this will be a good move here. And here we could be looking for a quick exit, maybe in a drop, and then go back up again. So I will see how we play this. I mean, I would have to throw fibs again on a pullback. But right now, like I said, it's going extremely high, extremely quick. I don't like that. I'm just being brutally honest here. I don't like that. It feels like it just could come crashing down too quickly. And it's not going to be good for XRP. Let's go to the 4-hour. We still have a gap of 32 cents on XRP. LX from Friday close. Yeah, dude, sometimes we don't have to close the gaps. $5 by Friday. Yeah, I doubt it, man. Think about another. Okay, dude, Romeo, like I said, dude, that's going to be like up to you, bro. I'm not sure what your risk level is right now. I mean, if it goes to $1, it would be worth it. But if it drops from here, would it be worth it? You know, right now, I do believe we are still in extreme bullish market conditions still. But I don't like the way this is coming along. All right, so look, I'm gonna get rid of this real quick, and I'm gonna try to chart it here on the 4-hour. I might get a better curve to show here. There we go, something like that. Something like that, I guess, would work. I would love to have better touch points, but again, not the best curve here. I'll go here maybe. Something like that, right? Could work. Anyways, again, going extremely high, extremely quick. I'll just send that to the daily. And, you know, we got above this level. We have wick below. That's fine. We managed to stay above that 58 cent area. That's great. Again, I was looking at this new support that I traced yesterday. I know we had it between this channel. I think this one might have not been here, and I might have dragged it down today as I was charting and moving stuff around. But anyways, we had strong bearish divergence developing, potential moving down on the 4-hour. And that's about it. Overbought, like I said, at 83.20. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. Steve saying ADA, sure, bro. And then $1 Bob saying the gap is massive. Yeah, dude. Sometimes we don't close gaps. ADA and then XLM. I mean, we're gonna look at XLM right after this. I haven't talked about XLM yet, Jaime, but I'll do that after XRP. Really don't think we'll drop under 55. Dude, Dapper, yeah, the conditions are bullish right now. I wouldn't rule it out. On the 1-hour, we could certainly come and hit that 20. That's what I'm worried about. That 20 right now is at 54. If we lose 58, 720, there's a chance we could move down here for support. And hit that 20, so that would be below that 55 cent area, and that's the move that I want to play, right? I want to like get out if we break here that 58 cent area, confirm breaking it, and then play that move. Although it could be a really quick move to come wick and touch and run back up, just like we did here, right? Look, we moved it down quickly, then we just rallied back up again, extremely high. I think this is the one I said we were on the channel. I think I might not have had this one. I'm not sure, dude. I'm gonna have to like go back and look at the stream and look at where my fips were, because I think I moved something intraday, because all of a sudden it just felt like I had a huge gap here. Anyways, what's going on in the 1-hour? Do we have something bearish? Yeah, we do. 81.62, and then over here it's 80.65. So, you know, we had this to here. It did play us to the downside. That's fine. Then we just created this from here to here. I'm not sure. I think I'm almost positive I opened my trading view on my cell phone and before I came into the stream, and I deleted some of the stuff that I was charting today because I had some of this stuff already pre-charted because I was looking at the market. It's good. I get to do it with you guys again. It just sucks that, you know, I have to rework it again. So again, it's still there. I don't think we had it here. I think we broke it on the other side, but here we still have that strong bearish divergence potential moving down. We have moved down again to support. That's great. We did manage to hold and close above that 58, 720. And we're trying to move up still. Right now it's 61.96 cents. This could get us to 65 cents. That'll be our next target again. It's a weak resistance, I think. Next real resistance, I think, is at 72.57. That's the next target that I have. And that's one that we had yesterday. This one I had to go hunt for earlier today. Let's go and look at, I rarely do this, but we've been doing this for XRP. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. There's some stuff I want to see there. Awesome. So look, on the 30-minute chart, right, we had this bullish divergence that we developed. I think this one we had yesterday. Yeah, November 22nd. Yeah, this was yesterday. So we had this one, and we were talking about that hidden bullish, right? And that's the last thing we called because we don't have anything else going on here. So that hidden bullish, we still managed to rally, which was good. We created, again, more hidden bullish here against the MACD. Took that new rally, and then we created this hidden bearish. Sorry, not hidden, strong bearish. That moved us down slightly, and then again, this was my alerts were going crazy. Look, it just triggered it many times, triggered it many times, triggered it many times. Trigger. It's just going insane today. 589 by Friday. Yeah, dude, I doubt it. Dude, hope for the best. I mean, what is it? Prepare for the worst, but hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. right? I don't think XRP. Look again, small targets. Let's get to $1 first. Then let's start getting talking about the other targets, right? Let's get about $3 and change the all-time high, and then let's talk about other targets. Here it was an idea I was playing here at this candle, and I was trying or this candle. I was trying to see if we're gonna hold on support here. We briefly broke below 20, and you know I was like, oh dude, I think we're gonna crash. I think we're gonna crash, and you know we held. That was fine. I think this was bounced at the 58 cent mark, so. And then we managed to move up, and you know here I was like glued. This is a 15-minute chart, right? And this just happened like at 7:45, so I was watching this a lot. I've been just glued to the charts all day. Had bearish divergence move down again, created bearish divergence strong against the MACD and the RSI, moved down again, right? Found support at the 20, taking that bounce. Good stuff again, still going higher, 62.42, on that way to 66, right? Or 65. Shun the unbeliever. Yeah. I don't think $5 is possible. Dude, I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm just saying I'm being realist. Get over short-term targets first, and then start talking about longer-term targets. No point in talking about $5 if we cannot get above 1, right? So get above 1 first, then get above 2, then get above the all-time high, then start talking about like new targets, right? Right now, I'm not sure I want to be talking about $5 when we have not gotten above. Like we can even go here and look. Oh, look, 63 cents. Wow, awesome. Again, what are we doing right now? Check this out. You're not gonna like it because we're still creating strong bearish divergence. Ah, look at this, man. Right? We haven't done it here to positive momentum, but we're going to a negative momentum. And then here we're going from high to low. So again, we need to get a good pump. Again, probably getting to that 50 plus or 65 cent area for us to try to get rid of this. And still have this bearish divergence, right? So again, another day. It seems like XRP wants to run again. It doesn't seem like XRP wants to run again. It is going to run again. And that is pretty much what it's looking like. What else is going on here? She's breaking high. She's pumping. She's pumping. Yeah, dude, it's pumping. Dude, a lot of people in the stream. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for liking this. Thank you for liking and subscribing, right? Awesome stuff, dude. I love you guys for being here and being awesome supporters and followers of this awesome channel. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub, dude. So many people in. Thank you all for being so kind and you know, being here. FYI, don't miss out. Don't miss out on what, Romeo? Pulling back down slightly, you know, it's fine. It's going to take time for us to get there. Maybe by the end of the stream, we'll try to recover this area. But right now, again, like I said, we're having some kind of bearish divergence on the 15-minute, and we could be breaking down on that. The 1 hour still looks good. Oh, shit, the 1 hour is now developing bearish divergence also. Again, a pump here could potentially get rid of this bearish divergence, but, you know, gotta call it for what it is, man, right? No point in sugarcoating it. There we go, right? Bearish divergence. Starting to develop here. Could have a stalling again. I do hope we get to that 63 cent area. I was talking earlier today with Soka offline. We were talking about this rally here and how we hit this 58 cent mark almost on the dot, and then we pulled back down slightly before we actually rallied again. We're going to 86. Hold your hat. Yeah, dude. Hold on to your hats. Hold on to your horses. It's going to keep on moving. We're going to come back to it and revisit again, trying to go on that rally again. Let's go check out XLM real quick. We'll come back to XRP. We'll be coming back to XRP. Don't worry about that. I promise. Let's go to XLM, dude, because XLM is also doing insanely cool stuff. Now, XLM, the poor man's XRP, is going higher. Look at this, 2 days ago, 23%. Yesterday, 26%. Today, 21%. But every time we're getting more because, you know, it takes more to get higher. So for that percentage to play out from the previous day, it takes so much strength. Now look at XLM on the monthly. Where are we at? 105, right? XRP is at 150. It is still at 105. But it's still 100% gains on the month. That is extremely bullish. Let's go on the weekly. Sorry, let's go to the daily. On XLM on the daily, we don't have anything. We're going higher, more positive momentum, higher on there. It's all good. Overbought at 87.14. So let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hour chart here. Sorry guys, one second. I think my daughter's crying. She's just going nuts. I'm back. Sorry about that, dude. Kids were going insane for some reason. They started crying in the room and, like, you know, started slamming the door. It was just a moment of insanity, I think, within this COVID stuff. Yo, what else is happening? Dudes, thank y'all for being here, like I said, right? Great stuff again. Excellent. Look at that. Sitting at 15.99 cents, dude. Almost 16 cents. That is good, right? It's taking a good rally from its old, like, 10-cent area or 8-cent area. So it's almost doubling value, like we said. And good stuff happening for XLM. Look, high, positive, high on the other side. Dude, are we lower? We're higher still. Everything's good. There's nothing bearish, dude. What a day. Dapper Romeo saying, oh my god, 64 cents. Dude, let's wait for 65. We're going to come back. Mr. Bimbo, how's it going? Yes, what a day, dude. I've been glued to the charts. 86, 89. Again, nothing bearish, dude. Last thing we had was this hidden bullish that we called on the 19th. And since then, we've just been freaking riding on XLM, right? It's all good stuff. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, dude. Do we have something bearish here? No, look at that. Boom, kablam in your face, right? Look, it's still higher than here. Extremely bullish, nothing bearish. We just high on the overbought at 85.42. Like I said, that's the only thing I'm not liking. There's nothing bearish. Last thing we had was this bearish here. Did move us down slightly, found that support at the 20, right? We managed to like reverse it right in the next candle. Then find that support right here also, and boom, take off, right? It's awesome. Awesome stuff happening here. Nothing bearish, dude, right? Last thing we had was this hidden bullish back here. And it's still playing over this, like, I think we called it medium bearish, or yeah, I think it was medium bearish that we called out. But that's it for XLM, right? Again, it's extremely bullish. There's nothing bearish. I love that, man, regarding the XLM. So, you know, I did want to talk about this project. It's also pumping extremely well. I love the way this is playing out for a couple of these projects, dude. Let's go check out XRP, see how it's doing, dude. 63, dude, it's getting pulled back. Or a little bit of resistance there, around 64 and change. Highs we made was 64.88, so, you know. That bearish divergence still here, man. It's not leaving us soon. So let's go to look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin dominance at? 61.83. It's dropped a lot, right? Look at how much it's dropped. Basically, look at these candles and compare them to XLM and XRP and a couple of alts, right? Bitcoin's dropping. It's still maintaining its value, more or less, but the alts are pumping, dude. The alts are running, taking more market, which is good. That means money's flowing into the alts, and then Bitcoin's still managing to hold on, and that is good. It's bringing balance to the ecosystem. On that note, we're, you know, losing some of that dominance, sitting at 61.85. Let's go to look at Bitcoin price. Where's that Bitcoin price? At 18,377.14. Now we're moved up. We're consolidating at this level, like we said. A slightly down-sloping consolidation by the looks of it. Still above that curve, which is all good. We're waiting this other chart, dude. We are still within that 19,496 and that 17,781. And we talked about consolidating at this level. We even came down a couple days ago, worked down here, took that bounce, and still holding on here. Again, consolidation happening. All good stuff, healthy stuff. Consolidation is healthy. It's what we need before we actually take that next level, right? These are an area of accumulation. People can try to get in here, add this value before we actually try to rally again. Could it be a sucker's rally? Still yet to be determined, right? It could be that people get in, we pump to 19,000, and then we just freaking drop again. But, you know, conditions are extremely bullish. Remember what I said, right? By looking at the daily and comparing it to back here, like 1, 2, and then getting that pump, right, with a little bit of pullback here, and then 3, it is precisely what it looks like here, right? 1, 2, and then getting that third pump here, right? And that's what's starting this movement. Now, we did measure from here, I think to here somewhere, and it was like 100 and change %, and that would get us to at least 25,000. We wanted to go all the way up here to where it was 19,000. It would at least get us to 55,000. But I'm not saying that's going to repeat itself. I'm not calling that a target. I'm just like, you know, looking at data here and looking for the similarities here on moves, right? There were more or less similar moves in strength, and then getting that nice rally, and we're taking off also, right? So with that said, Bitcoin, again, not a lot. We had the bearish divergence, like I said, consolidating. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. The 4 hour, we had bearish divergence, action to the downside. Now, was this also from the 4 hour? Yeah, it's on the 4 hour. Great stuff. So even here on the 21st, we were looking for that movement down. We did move down, like I said, found that beautiful support here, took that V-shaped bounce, and we're just consolidating sideways. Again, this could have just been a quick drop, you know, some something getting liquidated or a quick drop and then pumping it back up, and then getting continuation. If we were to ignore these two candles, this would just look a continuation, like a continuing line. So which basically recovered to where we're meant to be. We're below the 20. I don't like that. The 20 moving average. We still have that hidden bullish. Or we had that hidden bullish. Is this from the 1 hour, dude? I think this might be from the 1 hour. Yeah, it is from the 1 hour, dude. What the hell? I thought I anchored everything properly yesterday. Might have missed this. Right, so we had that bearish divergence. Low, high, right? Look, but there's that hidden bullish, dude. I'm not sure why we didn't have it here, but... Right, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. And then here to here, right? And then that rally to the upside. I think we called this one out yesterday. I think I might have just moved them around or something, but, it is what it is. Getting that bounce. And then again, still lower, high, low. Positive is positive. Everything's good. Nothing here to look for. Again, just consolidating sideways. There's nothing else to call here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, neutral. 42.20 on the RSI. Let's go 1 hour. 1 hour Bitcoin, right? We had that same move. Hidden bullish divergence. We took that nice pump. Then we dropped slightly, right? Felt to drop lower than the previous low. It's okay. I was looking at this candle. We even pointed out that crypto had this move throughout, right? These two candles were similar, and we left that mark there because XRP had it, Ethereum had it, and Litecoin had it also. So what's happening here on the 1 hour? Look at this, boom, boom, right? We created some strong bearish divergence. Fraction to the downside. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, getting that move down again. Below the 20, trying to get above the 20, just consolidating sideways right now. Not a lot going on. Maybe some hidden bullish here that I'm missing out on. Right here. And from here to here, right, that hidden bullish getting us to the 20. That's about it, dude, right? Again, like I said, Bitcoin more or less stable, right? So more or less stable throughout the week, the weekend, today also. Not a lot going on, right? Just consolidating. 48.69 on the RSI. Let's go to Ethereum. Let's check out XRP again. 64.26. What? It's still going higher. Ethereum at $617.11. Look at how nice it's pumped as well. Let's look at it on the monthly, dude. The monthly must be really good. 59% on Ethereum, right? Not too bad considering that it was pumping better than a couple of these altcoins like XRP and XLM and all these other projects that were dragging and lagging ass. They already hit 66, dude. Really? Nah, I think you're lying, dude. I'm not seeing it here on the chart, dude. It just says 64. I'm gonna check in a second though. Ah, damn it, dude. Now you're gonna make me look. What was the high? 64, dude. You're lying to me. 616, right? That's for Ethereum. But again, look at Ethereum has been rallying out from a while back. When we look at this compared to XRP, XRP was flatlining. Look at that, right? So it's starting to catch up to Ethereum and the other projects, and it's happening the same with XLM. A lot of these projects are lagging, and the strong move that we're seeing now is them catching up. So Ethereum, although it's pumping extremely nice, it's just getting 59% in the month. Again, there's other projects that are giving you more profit right now if you were holding them. Let's go to here. Ethereum on the daily. Where's it at? 619. Surprise, we have a resistance there. What? Yes. Look at this. We even have a support here. 547. And what? Guess what? We barely got above it yesterday. Or 2 days ago, right? Or a couple days ago. Yesterday we came down here, touched that area, took that nice bounce today, facing that resistance 619. Nothing off. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Overbought at 81.46. And if you remember, I talked about this divergence here, right? From here to here, and then from here to here. I'm going to get rid of this. But it would be creating strong bearish divergence against the RSI. But like I said, it's too many data points, too many days actually, periods, let's say, for this. And this considers last 14 periods, and again, this is more than 14 periods. I'm not considering this to be a good, reliable indicator for the price action to the downside. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour Litecoin, we had that bearish divergence, right? Yesterday, and we did move down, right? Look, we moved down, found support, and then took that bounce, which is all good. Again, even this candle was green. It started going red and moving lower first before I actually recovered, which is okay. Now, what's happening here? We're going higher, right? We're still going higher. So this, I'll just move on to here. What is this here? Let's see, 532, 475, so it's still less also. It's still less here, and we're still creating bearish divergence as we're going higher. Now we have the near resistance. Let's see if this is going to allow us for us to go still higher. We're bought at 79.10. This could bring us down slightly. The 20 right now, the 20 moving average being at 556.07. That could be one of the targets for Ethereum. Let's check out the 1 hour. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. Don't be strangers. Like the show. If you have any questions, let me know on the chat, you know. And yeah, we're live here to answer any questions you might have. What's happening on the 1 hour Ethereum, dude? Again, we had the bearish divergence, right? That's one of the things we called. Again, same movement that the rest of crypto did. Found that support at the 20, bounce, support at the 20, bounce, right? Why are we finding support here at the 20? Why were we moving down here to find that support? Because we had bearish divergence. But like I said, it's just failing to play out, right? Because we are in extremely bullish conditions. 68, 40, 69, 69, so slightly higher here. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. And guess what's happening now still? Look at this, from here to here. One more time. Where to? Right at that down resistance, dude. The highest, we closed at 619.41. Have that resistance 619.55. So about $1 and change off. That's good enough for me. That's close enough for this call. But we still have strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Not against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're still okay. And we're getting this slight move to the upside coming in, right? And let's see if we can manage to get above that 619 area. Again, extremely bullish market conditions. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. XRP at 64 cents. Still, highest we've gotten already was 64.77. Let's go to another chart, dude, because you called 66 cents. Here we hit 64.99 on the Bitfinex. And then on the Coinbase chart, we also hit a high of 64.88. And then on Kraken, we hit 64.84. So, seems to be a good consensus around 64 and 80 something, right? So, very close to 65 cents. Still trying to go higher here in XRP. Again, still having that bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. Like I said, I'm starting to get that bad vibe that, like, my spatter sense are tingling, right? Like, it's gone too high too quick. Something inside me just says, look, this could come crashing down extremely quick. Just be careful. I'll tell you guys, set up a tight stop loss. $1 above 86 cents today. Maybe, dude. Maybe $1 above. Let's see if we can get to 86 cents today, dude. I am doubtful that we can get there because let's look at the percentage of daily increase. Here we managed to get 40%. Here was 38%. So let's say 40%. Let's see where 40% would get us to, right? Let's just go with that. It could probably get us to 80 cents, right? Yeah, it could get us to 80 cents. 40% could probably get us to $1, man. No, that would be 50% pump. So if we pumped again 40%, we would be looking at least at like 90 cents. I'm not calling that, but you know, could be one of those things. We pumped to 86 and all your divergence out the window. Yeah, dude, very likely. And we'll be hitting that that 236 fib node, right? So yeah, it could be, man. Let's go to Litecoin. Again, if you have any questions regarding XRP, we already covered at the beginning of the stream. I'll go back to it if you guys want to. Just let me know. And again, if you like what we do, hit that like that button. That's all right. Show that love to this awesome community. Litecoin, $90.24. Jack said Litecoin's doing good. Let's see on the daily. Yes, it is taking a nice pump. 7.50% today. Still pumping 1.20. Let's see how it's doing on the month. On the month, it's going up 62%. It's recovered better than Ethereum still. But again, it was failing to perform, right? Last time we had was this bearishness. We did move this down slightly. Again, the bearish divergence just indicates price action to the downside. I would have loved to see this hit the 20 before we bounced. We didn't. We just went off. That's fine. Here we're definitely coming higher. Higher also here. So nothing bearish right now. The only bearishness is here, this short-term stuff that we created. And this is just on this 1 hour on the daily chart, right? So it's just that very slight movement up. Here we also have it here. And here we also have it here. So again, we do have this sort of small time frame bearish divergence that could potentially move this down. Jack saying I haven't sold any of that. I mined so far this winter. Awesome, dude. But dude, you've been mining like half $1 already, right? Or something like that. Something like that, right? You said like half a Litecoin. think that's how much you said you mined. Anyways, let's go to the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour, we're here, right? We're looking for this our potential movement down or something happening. No, this might be from another time scale. The 1 hour, I think. This is I'm matching it on the bottom part here, and it makes no sense where that thing is floating at. So this is from the 1 hour chart. Haha. Doesn't match with that. Go through your time frame. Last thing we had was this hidden bullish, right? Taking that nice rally. That's awesome. Now we're coming higher still. Let's see where this is at. 0.13, 0.14, slightly higher. But still lower on that RSI, and with that we'll still be creating strong bearish divergence on Litecoin 4-hour chart. Alright, so I'm in here, sitting bought. That's a 7.21 on that RSI. That's about it for this, dude. Nothing else developing here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's happening on the 1 hour? Look at this. Do we like this? No, we don't. First things, within the same island, right? First thing we're doing is within the same island, we're creating bearish divergence. Strong. Fraction to the downside. We also have it against the RSI. Now, what do we have next? We have that move to there. Haha. And then what do we have here? Look, my low. Then what do we have here still? We don't have it here. We went higher. Just against the MACD. Bearish divergence. So what happened? Next candle, we pumped down. Right now, we're trying to pump back up. A good test of the 20 would have been extremely good here. Because right now, if we try to go higher, but we fail to go higher than this previous high, we're definitely going to be looking for a movement down, right? Or very likely a movement down. Neutral at 59.03 on that RSI for Litecoin. Let's check out Binance. Binance at $33, man. It took a small pump to right now, actually. From 31 to 33, dude. Pumping 3%. That's good. On the monthly, Binance is gaining 15%. So like I said, Binance has been more or less dead. Rich Satoshi, hello everyone. Hi, how's it going, dude? What's going on here? We had this bearish divergence here. We did get that moving down. We pump higher. That's great. We hit the 20, found that support. Bullishly pumping back up. We don't have anything else going on. Overbought right now. It's 70.89. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour. 14 viewers. Oh yeah, I'm growing. Yeah, dude, I'm growing. Thank you to y'all for like watching this show and being here and chatting. Yeah, dude, it's just happening, I think, because the market is in extremely bullish conditions. But again, if you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub, right? Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with showing some love to a small YouTube channel. Let's send this back to 1 hour, dude. For some reason, I forgot to anchor yesterday some stuff on the 1 hour chart. So now I'm going to have to like guess that it might be this one. No, it's 4 hour stuff. So it might be this one then. Yeah, it's 1 hour stuff. There we go. This is also from the 1 hour. Again, guys, sorry about this, dude. I hate doing cleanup on the stream. And I thought I had this controlled yesterday, right? To where I was not going to have to do a lot of cleanup. Apparently, I botched it. There you go. Bearish divergence. Look, we moved down slightly. We moved down here still. I'm failing to get higher than this previous high, like I said. So we moved down again. Finding that support of the 20. Take that nice bounce. Getting $1.91 right now, right? What do we have? Same stuff. Look, from here to here, right? So, and from here to here. And then from here to here. Strong bearish divergence on this 4 hour chart for Binance. I forgot to anchor this in the 4. Come on. Work with me. Walk with me. There can be only one. Highlander. Dudes. There we go, dude. That's it. That's not going to go into 1 hour. Rishitoshi, haha. $1 above. I've been gluten-free for about 3 hours. Gotta say, I feel great. That's awesome, bro. Great to stay gluten-free for about 3 hours. I'm girlfriend-free for about a day, and I feel single. Wow, that sucks, bro. I'm not sure if that sucks or if it's good. It depends on how toxic your relationship was, or how non-toxic your relationship was. If it was a toxic relationship, you probably feel really good. If it wasn't a toxic relationship, you probably feel like shit. It just depends. It just, it could go either way in relationships. Anyways, overbought at 74.04. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. What is happening with Binance? Higher, more positive, higher on the other side, even from back here. So nothing bearish, nothing bullish. It's just taking a good move right now. About 94 cents in this 1 hour candle. Did anyone here get into what? I'm not sure what game is that. Sorry, man. Can't help you with that one. Let's go, dude. What haven't we done? ADA. We'll do ADA, dude, for sure. And then I'll go back and do DVT. I'll just check out DVT real quick, see where it's at. DVT at 2.0 sats. Oh my god, dude. Why? Pump. Let's go to ADA real quick. ADA at 17 cents. Steve, I'm hoping you're Black Shots watching game on EOS. Dude, I'm not that much into crypto games. Sorry about that, man. I love gaming. I rarely have time for it right now. And I don't like crypto games because they always require to pay stuff. That just sucks, bro, right? You can resell your characters on the market. Yeah, but you know, it's just I'm not much into like paying for stuff in games. I want to buy the game. That's it. I want to be buying stuff or add-ons every time I want something. I do get the whole point of reselling it. Just not for me, dude. You know. Like, for example, I love Magic the Gathering. Could I have played it? Why? Did I? Why is there nothing showing up here on the 4-hour ADA? Let me see here. Dude, this is weird. Like, there's nothing on my 4-hour MACD. What? Did I just do something while I was streaming and, like, removed everything that we had here on the MACD? Oh, I know a couple days ago something happened and it botched. Like, you know, I kind of, like, got rid of stuff, but I don't remember getting rid of so much stuff, dude. That's weird. Let's go to ADA. Upward. Because there should have been something here, right? That bearish divergence there, right? And then that bearish divergence continuation to here. On this daily chart here. It's just freaking weird to see, like, this chart so empty. And I'm pretty sure we called stuff here on ADA, dude. I'm not sure. Something off. And, you know, this is no longer here, right? Like that. And then that small movement here is no longer there again, right? Like that. So it's just off. Anyways, had this bearish divergence. We moved down, found that support at the 20, right? And then we just bounced and took off. Blast off. Where do we go? 100% retrace, right? We hit the previous high that we were using. That was this July 27, 2020. And that is good, bro. It's good that we're getting there, right? Rich saying, I don't game. Get us an investment. Yeah, could be, man. Steve, I'm still here and in ADA. Only grabbed half my position at 10 cents. A little bum, but, you know. Gains are gains. Yes, dude, and I'll tell you something. If that was your plan and you're executing it, you'd have nothing that you should be ashamed of. Should not be ashamed of, right? Because taking profits is what matters in this game. Either, like, paper profits mean nothing because they're just on paper. Materialized gains, it's everything. That's when you really have the dough on your hand. Now, with that dough, you can buy back in and still take that rally. You won't have the same amount of, you know, coins that you have, but percentage gains on your holdings is still percentage gains on your holdings, and that's what ultimately matters. 12 people watching, they've been here. 6 likes. Come on, guys, hit that like bell. Hit that like button. Come on, help out the channel. Gains are always good. Yes, dude, gains are always good. I would agree with you on that 100%. I love taking gains. I love taking money. Anyways, music got slow. Let's play something else. This looks like you know, like a Bart's music. Play something else. Again, it's playing weird, dude. Let's go with this one. Why not? Yeah, but what is the resistance here? Yeah, we can look at that. Have to learn to be satisfied. Yeah, we gotta learn to be satisfied. Well, resistance right now is this, right? We're hitting it. That would have been one of the resistance that I would have called here. 100%, right? 100% retrace. So from the low to the high, we're hitting it. Let's go look at something else. Let's go look back here. Let's see if there's anything back here, dude. We'll look for resistances. Don't worry, Steve. I know what you mean. Play some horizontal lines here, man. Come on, help me out. Yeah, I'll do that. There's something here. Here where we're at, look, right? You can see that here. We bottomed out, and here it looks like we kind of topped around the same level. So I'll do this Alt-H, and then we'll just revise that, right? There we go. Now, why am I putting this line here? Look, we bottomed here. We touched it here, we wicked it. Then here became support. Then here became resistance again. right? And then back here it was resistance, right? And probably back here it was nothing, right? So that's fine. So here was support. So that could be one of the lines that we could be looking for resistance at 17.15, right? And then we might be getting another one somewhere around here, maybe. Let's see here. Here we get to that area where they start to get tricky because there's not a lot of data at these levels, right? There's some data, and I guess we could call something here. Look, there seems to have hold support here. Seem to have, you know, flirted with this area a little bit here, right? Became sometimes sometimes support, sometimes resistance. Then it became resistance again before we actually broke down. Maybe something around this level as well. Alt H seems to make sense here. Alt H here. Right, like it became support, then became resistance. Then became resistance here. We wicked it. Here it was, you know, we're flirting with this line. So again, we could adjust this a little bit more. But right now I'm just ballparking some support and resistance for this, right? So we could have something around this area, right? With support, resistance and then support. Then here it'll be something different. But we got to get about 55 cents for that. I guess that's what I'm going to go for right now. So right now you will be looking at resistance right about where we're at, and then we have some support at 14 cents, right? So, and we just wicked above that area, and right now we're like hitting it almost spot on. So that'll be something, right? Crypto Boomer, what's up? I tell you what's up. Everything. Yeah, dude, everything is up. What's up? Well, when someone subscribes, no, sorry, that was when I had it on YouTube. Because right now everything's pegged to Twitch, but when I had it on YouTube and someone subscribed, you would hear Barney Stinson saying "What's up?" But it was actually the "What's up" from Scary Movies, and that's funny that you said that, Rich Satoshi, because that is one of the lines that I have here on YouTube when someone subscribes. But when I'm logged into Stream Elements with YouTube right now, I'm logged on to Stream Elements with Twitch. Yeah, but everything is up, dude. Yes, everything is up, Crypto Boomer. Everything is doing good, man. Let's check out what else is happening here with Cardano. Again, higher, positive, more positive. Everything's good here. And from back here, right, we're still coming in higher, so nothing bearish. How much is it gaining on the month? It's gaining 83% in the month. That's awesome. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Looking at the 4-hour, we're looking for bearish divergence here, right? And this was probably when we were live, 6 p.m. So this is the 10 p.m. candle. We managed to go slightly higher. And that's fine because, you know, I was worried here that we were going to break that support. And by the time we close, we probably wick back down slightly. And then we pump back above this area, right? That 15 cent mark, which is okay. Created the bearish divergence. Moved down slightly, right? Found that support. Found some support. And then we pump back up again. Now we're wicking that 17 cent mark that we just nearly minted as a resistance. Did I check out Bitcoin? Everything's... did I check out Bitcoin? Everyone talking about a head and shoulders. I checked out Bitcoin. I didn't look for a head and shoulders. I'll look at that. Crypto Boomer, my PC blew up, so I took a 1.2 thousand hit on the fiat account today. Buying new hardware. Wow, that sucks, bro. Yeah, it really sucks. I don't want to like take a hit like that anytime soon and with my PC. Anyways, right now going higher right on this 4-hour candle. Right, just watch out for this on here, right? This is going to start to develop again because we're starting to get this new semi-rally pumping here. Our new rally try to come in here. And again, here we might be coming in slightly lower. 84.04, 83.31. So yeah, there's a slight bearish divergence here. Just watch out for that, right? If you're going to set up a trade, know your near resistance and know that you are creating divergence. Bearish. Not hit by an investment. Stay positive. You get a new PC. That is true. Could you salvage anything out of your old PC? And if you could, then you can try to resell some of that stuff. What? This magic business stuff. What is happening here? We had the bearish divergence, like we said, right? We did move down slightly on that. Try to pump back up again, and look at this. Oh no! What happened with the Cardano? We're getting some bearish divergence here, right? That's what moved us down slightly. And then we created some hidden bullish. Right, let's look at that. Boom, boom. Bam, kablam. Right? And then we don't have it here against the RSI. That's fine. Here we're also coming in lower, so that works here also. Boom, boom. And I'll just anchor that to there as well, right? And we have that bearish divergence. Strong moved us down slightly, created that hidden bullish, taking that new rally. And now we can anchor this from one island to the next, which is how we want to trace divergence usually. So now we can go to there and say, look, we're creating bearish divergence. Oh no! Do we have it here? Very likely. 74, 97, 74, 16. So yeah, also here. Just drag that onto there again with that line, right? This line here, with that divergence there, and that divergence there. So this is why we move down. I'm gonna get rid of this stuff here. I don't want to get the charts to be over cluttered, dude. I gotta do a lot of cleanup with the charts. We have that bearish divergence coming in, potential for moving down. Let's see how this is gonna happen. Dude, Rich Toshi saying the 4-hour Bitcoin has head and shoulders. Let's go check out the Bitcoin, dude. I haven't looked for head and shoulders, but I'll oblige and check it out. Dude, I don't think this is head and shoulders. Dude, let me look at another chart. Don't look like a head and shoulders, bro. I do get what people are saying head and shoulders here. I'll draw it out. Why they're saying head and shoulders. Knees and toes. But I'll tell you why I don't believe it. I mean, yeah. It's not a textbook head and shoulders. You really want to see this come down, have a little bit of space or gap or something, or at least come slightly deeper. In this shoulder, you want to be very tight to this one. It is within a 1% range or something. That's why I took a measure a little bit earlier. Like this. It's like a 1.87, right? So it is within that 2 to 3% range that it could become a shoulder. It just doesn't look like a textbook head and shoulders, right? The more textbook something looks, the more likely it is to play out. Now, if it is to be a head and shoulders, where would he go? I'll take that wick to here, and I do believe that's the highest point to the neckline. Then if we were to break it, depending on when we broke this, we could be looking for a retest of 16,748, and that could certainly send the market back into a panic where people start selling because they believe it's going to crash. But that at least will become the first target for that pullback, and it could be the pullback that we need on Bitcoin, right? Remember, we said we just gone up and haven't pulled back properly. We're struggling with this level. We have failed to go a little bit higher, right? We're just struggling here. That 16,000 move, or that what did we call it to 60,748 on the daily. See, from low to high, 16,736. So we had it 16,748. So we're looking at a probably hit at 236. That could become support again. Is it gonna play out, dude? I'm not sure. Does it look more like a head and shoulders in the 1 hour? See, in the 1 hour, it doesn't even look like a head and shoulders, right? It just looks like, you know, some kind of like triangle pattern forming here, right? At best. So try getting this sorted out here, and get that line going on like this, right? I mean, for me, it looks a little bit more like a triangle, right? Some sort of triangle happening, even tighter here if we wanted to. If you want to ignore this line here, you could be going like this. We're talking about potential triangle forming on Bitcoin, right? But it could go either way on a triangle. And the head and shoulders, again, I'm not liking it too much for head and shoulders. Really, we need to wait for a move down, and that move needs to hit at least $18,000, and then try to break that, and then we could be looking for that move down, right? Rishitoshi, you're short. You're shorting Bitcoin? Have a file Bitcoin dominance chart down. Yeah, Bitcoin is losing dominance, so it's okay. Losing some of that dominance, which is okay. Let's see XRP at 64.42. Have we wicked 65? Nope, 64.50. That's about as high as we got on this chart right now. Hitting it again, 64.46. We just did ADA, so that's good. Do you guys have any requests? Do you guys want to look at anything else? Or you just want to keep on looking at this stuff? So, meanwhile, the MACD shows weakness on Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin 4 hour. Yeah, the MACD had bearish divergence already. But we have this hidden bullish, which is what helping us rally here slightly. Right, we are below the 20. I don't like that. Let's say that you know, could become a reason why we could move down. And I even said this. I think it was yesterday, or 2 days ago, or yesterday. It might have been this. I said, look, we could move down here, right? Change that to yellow. It's just on a 4-hour chart. And then we could be going from here to here, right? And creating some bullish divergence, some strong bullish divergence, and also have that here on the RSI. And maybe go for a potential bounce near that support. So there's a chance for this shoulder to not play out, right? MACD, it is red, but I don't consider it to be showing weakness right now. Right? That's that. Let's get rid of this. I want to check out our RSR real quick because, you know, I want to see how my ass whooping is going there because I want to see if I'm going to get out now or what. RSR just moving sideways. Oh no. Oh, look at that. We got to like 2.6 cents. We moved down to 2.2 and we're just trying to hold on to that support end at 618. And maybe try to rally again. So that's fine, right? This look, we run up, support, right? Run up, trying to find support. It's all good. Not a lot going on since yesterday. Let's go with the 4-hour. Bearish divergence pulled us down. Again, we have the hidden bullish trying to get us to go higher, but still rejecting the 20, right? But let's see if we're going to hold on to that 20. We're trying to get above that 20. Not a lot going on. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, there, set to a higher point. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. That Romeo, oh my god, yes, 66. I think you're bullshitting me again. $65. Alright, 65, dude. I bought a bunch of that RSR crap. Yeah, I also bought a lot of this RSR crap. I bought $100 worth. Now you consider that to be a lot or not, it's up to you. But I think I'm massive bidding. I bought it up here, bro. I bought it up here at like 31 cents. And I rode it all the way down and I'm riding it all the way back up. But, you know, I kind of wish now that I would have sold. I was just freaking stubborn because, you know, like this was my exit line. That was my red line. And I just never triggered it. That was dumb, and I didn't listen to myself, and I didn't execute my plan. Now I'm paying the consequences of not doing that. Because I thought it was going to bounce back up, and it did here, right? It bounced back up, but it came back down so quick, and I was like, you know, fuck, I got wrecked. No wonder I want to sell it. Yeah, well, I'm waiting for it to recover, man. Right now, I'm still taking a hit. So if I sold right now, I would be taking a hit of 26%. So on $100 will be $26 and change. So I'm hoping I can get this at least out at that 786. Then it would be like a 13% hit, I think. From the green to here. Yeah, 14% hit. 13.5. So $13.5 is not that bad. Because we know we're going to have some kind of resistance here at that 2.7 cent area. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. No, it popped to 66. All right, well, I'll check that out in a second, bro. Let me just finish RSR real quick. Bearish divergence, that's the last time we called. We moved down on that. Oh my god, what? Are we wizards? No. We are wizards of the coast. What are we doing here? Low, high. Negative. More negative. Low on the outside, lower on the outside. Bullish divergence. Hidden. Action to the upside. We went up. We hit that 20, dude. We're rejecting it again. I don't like the fact we're rejecting the 20 again. This is looking like a triangle. Don't tell me it doesn't. Because it does. Ha ha ha, yar, ladies. I'm going to change this to blue. Just on the account that I want to keep on tracking this triangle as it keeps on building. I'll just leave it as it is here. We seem to get more or less get respect for that. Again, I'm just ballparking the triangle. I don't want it to be exact. And again, it could break either way. Triangles tend to go either way. Damn, Romeo, it waked 659 cents. 65.9 cents. We'll check it out, dude. Crypto Boomer, I bought in around 0.008. That's great for you, bro. You're doing extremely good on this. I'm not doing that great. Anyways, dude, support, right? Look at that bounce of that support at the 618. I'm trying to move higher, but you know, I'm waiting for this to bounce slightly more. Sitting neutral at 52.28. That's it for this, bro. Now let's go check out that XRP that supposedly allegedly pumped to 65.90 something. Where's that pop? Show me that pop. Oh, dude, we wicked. No, we didn't go that high. We just wicked 65.57, right? Which is very, very close to our resistance, and then we're rejecting it. ML. I'm going to check on another chart. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. 654. 659. So, yeah, you're right. On Coinbase, it did wick that high. 6598. Very, very close. But right now, we're rejecting that area. Why? Because it's a resistance. That's why we have it there. But I did say it's a minor resistance because I had to go hunt for it hardcore. It wasn't like easy to see. So I think since it's not easy to see, it means that you know, when you see them easily, it means that you're hitting it constantly as support and resistance, and then you know you're gonna have a line there that could become you know, a resistance or a support once you break above it. And this one I really, really had to go hunt for to find something in between that area. So I do believe it might be a weak resistance, and we could potentially get above it quickly. On that note, I'm extremely, extremely happy for XRP and XRP holders all over the world. They be happy. 86 cents incoming, and then you were giving me this little hand that goes like power. Yeah, I guess. Yo, what do you guys want to look at? Let me know. There's no other requests come in, so I don't think I missed any requests. Let me know if you want to look at something else. Otherwise, we're just chilling, chatting, and you know, having a good time. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. And while you do that, I'm gonna really quickly look at gold and silver and see how they're doing. Oh my goodness, what's happening with gold? It's dumping. It's going to that bottom part. Ha 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 ha. So again, we're hitting this bottom part. Oh no, 1,825 per ounce. What's happening with silver? $23.40. What is this sorcery? We're rejecting the 20. Why? Low, high, low, high, low. Alright, we do have something to play here with. Great of you, silver. Some hidden bullish divergence. What? Hidden bullish divergence, man. Doggy! Gotcha, got doggy. 66? Wow, we hit 66? Awesome, bros. Thank you, Soka, for letting me know. I want to go look at doggy first. So let me just, I just did silver. That's it. We have some hidden bullish. We could get rid of this really quickly. This just dumps slightly more, and then we're done for. Let's see if we can try to hold on to this. I doubt it, but we'll see tomorrow. Trying to break it. Okay. Let's go to XRP again real quick, and then let's go to doggy. Because, you know, it's trying to break it. Where are you seeing the 66 cent stuff? Oh, we did go that high. 65.95. Awesome. Where do we go here? 66! Oh my god, we rejected. What? What are we going here? Also, dude, 66 on the dot. And where are we here, dude? 66 on the dot. Awesome stuff, dude. 65.97 now on Coinbase. Yeah, I seen that, dude. Let me do dog in. Now we'll come back to this. We're gonna break probably 66 cents, dude. You know. The tricky part is gonna be staying above the 6.5, 6.37 now, and head for that 72.525 area. I swear I'm starting to piss my pants because it's not look too good for XRP, man. We're going up too quickly. It's going up too quickly, Captain. This could come crashing down, and everyone's dreams and tears are gonna start flowing. 65.90. Dang it. Let's go to doggy. Dogecoin, where are you, Dogecoin? I'll chart you, Dogecoin. We haven't looked at Doge in a long time, dude. Last time we looked at Doge, it wasn't even loading. See? Dude, which chart is... We do have something here sooner. We looked at Doge last time in October. 100%, 75 cents tonight, sir. Yeah, maybe, Dapper. Maybe, dude. I'm not a pessimist. I'm just a realist, dude. That's exactly why I can't go to bed. Yeah, 66.31 wick. That's awesome. It's probably going to head for that 72. I told you 65 and change is a small resistance. We just need to get above it and confirm being above it. Do I think ADA is risky right now? Dude, I think a lot of crypto is risky right now. Like, you're buying at a premium in a lot of crypto, right? I'll just say that. Let me do doggy now. Explain to you why. Why are we buying at a premium? I'll even write it down so I don't forget. But again, buying at a premium is relative to what's happening right now in the market. We blew by the 100%. Yeah. Mind your stops. Yes, exactly. Mind your stop losses. Bitcoin J Gainsbot says buy ADA. Yeah, you think ADA is a risk right now? I feel like it's launched. Wondering how much more you can go this round. Well, dude, if you just want to jump in, and then put a stop loss. Right, that's how you play the game. I told you where I think it could go, right, and up to the upside. And I'll go back. I'll go back to ADA. Let me do doggy. I'll go back to ADA, right, and then we'll go back to something else. So ADA again, and then we'll do XRP again, right? Because XRP, it's still in the show this last couple days, because it's just went ballistics. I feel really bad for the guys that got out at 45. Yeah, dude, I got out and got back in. I didn't lose any. I'm still preserving wealth, but I just basically covered the exchange fees. And then I got back in. Anyways, what do we had here? We had bearish divergence. You cannot see it because this was back when, for some reason, TradingView decided to delete my MACD, and when I brought it back up, it was no longer there. So we're going higher, more positive. So nothing bearish here on the daily. It's all good for this project. Even from back here, look higher and more and higher on the RSI. So overbought at 33.17, sitting at 0.38 cents. So like a third of a cent almost. Where is this at? A lot of stuff going on here. Oh, I did the same. Yeah, dude. I think a lot of us did the same. Because at 45, it seemed like it was going to reject. And I got that feeling too. That's why I'm still getting that feeling that fucking XRP better not reject that 236, because at 86 cents, I think I'm going to get out, and I'm going to get back in on a rally again, or on a try to retest and try to get a little bit more coin, or at least increase my XRP holdings. But I hope it doesn't blow past that 236, because that's my play. Hit the 236, expect some rejection to happen there, get back in as soon as it drops slightly, or enough to where I can get back in at a good rate. And add more XRP to my pocket, right? So let's increase my XRP holdings. What's happening with Doggy? Or Doge. A lot of people call it differently. I just call it Doggy Coin. Because he has a doggy on the picture of the coin. That is the meme doggy. That is like this. And it's fun. So what is happening, guys? What is happening with freaking crypto tonight? Everything's freaking pumping, dude. That joke was funny today. What's up with crypto? Everything. Like the 4 hour, we're creating bearish divergence, right? We don't have anything bullish here, right? For that rally, everything's higher, low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI, higher point on the RSI. It's creating these bearish divergence, but dude, how much Doggy has? How much has it moved in a month? 47%. It's not that bad for a small cap coin, right? Or for a low value coin, I should call it a small cap. But, yeah, so bearish divergence. Again, potential movement down. Sitting at 3.85 cents. We already moved down slightly, right? And then pulling back up. So, and for some reason, we closed up here, and then we gapped down, and then we rallied back up. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, I hate this 1 hour chart because it looks like a freaking snake. It's hard to chart this. Because it's just so sharpy on the moves, right? It's like, boop, 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 very sharp. It sucks nuts. So okay, let's go with what I can see easily here on this project, and then we'll go back and check the other stuff that's pumping and moving. Oh, so we have this bullish divergence here against the MACD, but nothing against the RSI. That's fine. Then low, higher, low, negative, more negative. All right, so hidden bullish here. Haha, got it. But again, I should be anchoring from the highest point here, so I'm not gonna call that. Though it probably is what happened, but whatever. Low, high, positive, that's positive. High on the RSI to higher point. Dude, again, Doggy, the 1 hour chart, Doggy, it's weird. Let's go to this chart. This one's even worse because it's choppy. This one's also choppy, but at least has more data. So, what? Do the math. $1,000 for 28 cents. Bang 19Z3. What are some strategies you do? For example, I purchased 1,000 XRP at 42 cents. Do I plan on holding it? For sure, but what point should I sell it at? And how? If so, how much? Oh, dude, well, that is entirely up to you, bro. That Jaime said is right. We can just talk about where price could go. But you should have a plan when you buy stuff, right? So you got to know when you're willing to exit, how much profit you want to take, and you should execute that plan. It doesn't matter. You don't look back. Once you take profit, you just keep on going with the punches, right? You exit where you want to exit. You take the profit that you wanted to take. And if it keeps going up, you forget about it, right? Because then you start developing bad habits, right? When you get out, you basically already established an area that you're comfortable exiting, and you're happy with what you're getting, right? So, I'm saying if you're out, how many figures makes it worth? Yeah. Like I said, dude, it's entirely up to you and your trading strategy and your plan. You gotta know when you want to stop or when you want to get out or how much money you're willing to get out with. So if I was saying XRP is at 42 cents, look, let's do that math, dude. Let me bring out the calculator. 100, how much you say you buy? $1,000 divided by 0.42. So you got 2,380 XRP, right? And right now it's worth 60. Let's say 66 cents. I'm not looking at there, right? But 0.66. That means you're at 1,500, dude. You already 50%, 57% up on your holdings. Is that a good return for a day or two? I'm not sure when you got in. But a lot of traders don't get 5% in a day. A lot of traders don't get 3% in a day. A lot of traders actually always lose money. And then they go broke. But, 57%, no bank is going to give you that return in a year, in 2 years' time. No investor or investment firm is going to give you that return in a year or 2 years' time, right? 50% is a good return. If at 50% or 57% you're feeling like you're good and you're not feeling greedy, you can get out. Maybe you want to wait for it to double and go to 88 cents, which could be going to 88 cents. We discussed that earlier. I'm not saying it's going to go there, but there's a chance it could go there. Would you be willing to exit when you're double your money? Or are you still going to hold? If you're playing with greed or you're just playing by being greedy, you're not going to do good in the market. You gotta really, really have an exit strategy. You got to know when you take profit, and don't take all the profit if you want, right? So let's say right now you're comfortable and you believe the markets might move down, and you don't believe that the bearish divergence is going to kick in, that we've gone too fast, too quick, and that all that is BS, and you believe that this is going to go down. Sell a portion. Don't sell everything. Sell like 25%, 10% of your portfolio, whatever. Take profit on that, right? Materialize part of that profit. And then if it keeps on running, buy back in again. You'll have a little bit less XRP, but if it looks like it's going to run again, you can always go back in, and you're not losing on the profit with the rest of your holdings, right? The 75% or 90% extra that you're still holding. But if it looks like it's going to go down, then keep on exiting slowly, right? And exit another 25%, and exit another 25% until you exit 100% of your money. If it's still moving down, then if that way, if it starts to recover and goes back up, you can always get back in and try it right up again. And you're not going out with all your money all at once, and you're kind of like averaging out, or like stepping out of position slowly. Crypto boomer, trail your stop at 11 cents behind every support level on XRP. Yeah, that would seem to make sense. Sometimes we don't have that many cents between support levels, but look, crypto, it's insane, right? Like XRP getting 40% gains, 38% gains. Not a lot of assets see that those massive pumps. Crypto's one asset that could drop 10% in a day and wouldn't give a damn. But the thing here is, where do you set up a stop loss? What is a reasonable stop loss setup price? Well, for a tight stop loss in crypto, I would say 5% below current price level would be a good stop loss, or 5% from your entry, right? But since you want to take profit, you want to place it like 5% below where the current price level is, because you're getting that 44 cents or 42 cents. So So if we go by that idea, you would be wanting to put it 5% below current prices, 66 cents below. So you were looking at maybe 64 cents, 63 cents exit. Now, if you believe that it might drop lower, then go 10%, right? And if you're willing to hold and take a 10% less profit than it currently is at, and that would be a huge move for crypto. Most of the days, crypto doesn't move 10%, right? We know we get 10% moves. So if you don't want to get stuffed out of your position at 5%, go with 10%, 11%, or 12% movement to the downside for a stop loss or to take profit, and that would seem to be a good strategy to place a stop loss at. Again, I'm not advocating that. I'm just telling you usually what I do. Yeah, thank you for being here, man. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, bro. Join us. We're a good community. So that's it for Doggy, dude. Again, Doggy's weird to chart because it's just so sharp. It doesn't like all I found was this. I don't see anything else here. It's clear, right? So everything else looks good, man. Steve asked about ADA at 17 cents. Again, dude, Steve, we're still not getting above that area. We're wicking it, but we're not getting above that 17,158, right? Finding some rejection there. That divergence still there. Look, 73399 and then 154213. Right, the last digits here. So bearish divergence still in play. Again, potential for movement down. We got it near resistance. Not holding, dude. You said something about 100%. Are we talking about the retrace that we had on the daily? That we're above that on ADA, maybe. Let's go on the daily. We're still below that 100%, dude. So, yeah, we wicked it, but we have not sustained it, right? We want to close above there. Upward wedge on the 1 hour. Rising wedge, you mean? Probably. I get what you're saying. You're saying this, right? That small part there and that small part there is a rising wedge. Yeah, it could be, dude. Again, it is a bearish pattern. You have bearish divergence near a resistance with a sort of rising wedge forming. But again, you know, it's not really... No, I didn't mention the upward wedge. That's a good eye. You caught something that I missed. And that's fine, dude. You know, sometimes I'm not looking for everything. I'm just looking for the main stuff. Or at least some quick stuff. Again, it is a bearish pattern, right? It's a bearish... after an impulse up, you want to consolidate down, not up. It usually upward consolidation indicates action to the downside. But, you know, this is very small. 4 candles is not a good consolidation, right? You want to consolidate over a little bit more than that. I'd say 5 to 10 candles would be a good consolidation. Anywhere between 5 and 10 candles would be good for consolidation. But this is bearish, right? You have bearish divergence with a bearish pattern formation near resistance. There's a chance it could move down. But remember, we are on a bull market, a full-on bull market, where bearish signals could mean jack. All this tells me is get ready for an exit. Don't trigger. Just hold on to that, you know, and set up a stop loss if you're willing to, or set up an entry if in case this drops, you know, wherever you're willing to go in at. Getting above that area again, that's 17.26. Sorry, that's 17.15. Right now, it's 17.26. If we confirm closing here, the next candle might try to move us down, but if we confirm staying above this area, it'll become bullish, and we could be looking for another movement up, right? So just remember that. And the next move could see us target. We don't have targets higher. What? Did we not place stuff higher here? Who's running this show? Dude, why is it? I know why it wasn't showing. There we go. We do have targets to the upside. Ha. So after 17 cents, I don't have a lot until 28 cents. But that's off, dude. There should be something there. That's probably something I'm missing. And I think I saw something here. Dang it, dude. It just tries to zoom. There we go. I'm catching that big area there. I'm not... What the fuck is this? Come on, Spotify. Play something different. Nickelodeon. Let's play this track. Yo! So, something I'm looking at here. Look, we topped here, right? I'm looking at this top, and I'm trying to see if there's anything else. I'll draw the line real quick, and I'll tell you how I do this. So this top is over here. Not letting me move it. What am I doing with this? There we go. We seem to have topped here, right? At 1826, but I'm looking back here, and I'm finding a lot that would mean that this area, there is a candle here that hits, but I don't want to call this resistance because we don't have a lot. It could be a small resistance. I wouldn't call it a strong resistance per se. There's not a lot of data there, right? Then the next one I would look at would be this small top here. I'll just ditch this also. And this one could be a little stronger. We have resistance there. We became sort of support here. Then it was resistance here, and then it was resistance here. So maybe the next resistance I would place would be this one, 22.54, right? That would be the one. I'll get rid of this one. I don't believe we're gonna hit resistance at 1826. There's not a lot of for it to support that. It's just this top here. So I believe the next area we could be hitting is that 22.54 area. Then after that, we do have that 28 area. That would be okay. There's not a lot going on here. But yeah, that would be it for ADA, dude, right? Again, that is if we ignore that bearish divergence and the bearishness pattern that we have right now, which we're getting above and hitting that 100% right now. And rejecting it, right? We're failing to get above that 100% still. So 100%, just for y'all, it's at 1725. We're sitting at 1723. So like I said, rejecting that. Let's go check out XRP again. What is happening with XRP? So many people joining the stream. 61 people have played back. I'm not sure how many of y'all have subbed, but thank you for being here. You guys are amazing. Awesome. Yo, XRP, let's go back to it, man. Where is it at, XRP? Where are you at? 65, 17. Below that 65, 63. Come on, I want this to go higher, man, and get above that area. That's the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see what happened here. Awesome. So, great news. We're getting rid of this bearish divergence, right? Look, we're coming in higher. That's great. We're going higher here also. We just have it against the RSI now. Good stuff. And again, we're having it near a resistance, right? The highest point we've gotten is 63.39. Great. Let's go to the 1 hour. We're looking for a rejection here. Again, bearish divergence. Still have it on the 1 hour chart against the RSI and the MACD. Potential fraction to the downside still present. We're getting it near a resistance, so probably why we're struggling to get above this area. I feel like I mosquito bit my ear. It just feels hot and warm for some reason. You bloodsucker. 30-minute chart. Nothing else happening on the chat. Awesome. Wow, a lot of chat going on today, dude. So many people have stopped by. It's so cool, man, when so many people stop by the show. And then we chat and engage and have fun together. What's going on here? We're going higher, right? Look at that. This is a 30-minute chart, dude. I hate going into the 30-minute chart. But lately, you know what? It has kind of warranted this for XRP because the moves are so violent in the day. That the 4 hours not showing a lot and the 1 hour showing stuff. But, you know, I think more reliable right now. It's been the shorter timescale charts. Look at this. We're developing that bearish divergence, right? Starting to move down on this candle that just started 3 minutes ago. It's just we could move down. Where can we go here? The 20 would be a possibility. That 20 being at 59 cents. Now, that is good because we were very, very close near where I have my alert. And it could go crazy again by triggering left and right. Do I want to see that movement down? No. No, sir, man. I want to see this keep going higher. We're overbought. Are they 73.33? And XLAM testing 18 cents. All right, I'm going to go check out XLAM in a second. Hi, man. Thanks for letting me know. Let's see here the 15-minute chart. What's going on here? High to low. Again, this is where we're tracking here to 0, right? By the time we were doing the stream. So I'll just move that to there, move that to there. And do we have it here? Let's confirm. 76.72, and this is 76.38. So it's slightly higher, slightly lower, sorry. 76.72 and 76.60, 76.38. So yeah, slightly lower. So we still have that strong bearish divergence. Actually, the downside is the second 15-minute candle that we're moving down slightly. The 20 on the 15-minute is at 61.50 cents. Again, this I don't like so much. We have hit it plenty of times here. Like I said, we're looking for support. I don't believe we created anything here. 3878, 354, so slightly less. We didn't create that hidden bullish. I was hoping we were going to create some hidden bullish for this pump. At some point in time, we did make it, right? When we were dropping slightly lower here. Then we undid it by the time this 15-minute candle closed. But on that note, let's go check out XLM, dude. Got a lot of stuff happening with crypto, dude. Streams are getting interesting. People are coming in. If you build it, they will come. Field of Dreams. Excellent. This is a chart we're looking at. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We're testing 18 cents. Yes, we did. Close to it. At least not on this chart. This is a Bitfinex. It just got to 1760. Let me look at another one, dude. Coinbase, I think, is the one you're looking at, or you might be looking at. Yes, we did already go into a high of 1860 cents, and we're rejecting it. So let's go look at another chart. Highest was at 1747. Again, XLM apparently doesn't have that. It's not so tight in the charts. You know, some of the major cryptos, the difference in the charts not that much. XLM seems to have a lot more difference in the charts. What's the highest point we've made? 1748, right? So again, I'm looking at the highs here, just to know where we're at. So in a lot of the charts, we did not get to 18 cents. This one also 1749. But good stuff, dude. I'll tell you what, XLM is pumping 31% today still. And that's extremely cool because it was pumping strong yesterday, right? It pumped 23% on the 21st. It pumped 26% today. And for tomorrow's opening, it's already pumping 32%. It's so cool, man. Zabanga 19C3. This is my first time really ever trading, to be honest. So I'm just thankful for all the information. Trying to take it all in, and we'll be watching you more. Well, thanks, dude. Hit that subscribe and hit that bell. That way you're going to be notified. I'm here almost every day live. It's just very rare the days that I'm not here. At 9 p.m. Central, and then it just goes until either I get tired or you guys stop requesting stuff, or, you know, we just cover everything that we do and there's no more requests. Join us on the Discord, links in the description. You can also talk with me there. You can ask me stuff there. I do try to reply as quickly as I can. Sometimes I'm working in the day and I don't have time to reply, but I do tend to try to reply and answer questions there, particularly when there's something happening or pumping or going crazy. And, you know, some people have requested stuff on the Discord, and I have analyzed off stream, right? So anyways, pump it. So close to $1 Canadian. Yeah, right. So that's it for XLM, dude. I'm good, dude. I'm happy. It's again topping its high. Why do I like XLM? Because I got some free XLM the other day, right? I got it free XLM on, well, not the other day. Got free XLM at the beginning of 2019 or 2020. I can't remember when it was. I think it was 2019, January 2019. I got free XLM on blockchain. And I got like $25 worth. And right now it's worth, $23 worth. And right now it's worth like 67 cents. Are you for real? So let's go check that out. And right now it's worth like $30, dude. So, you know, it did go down a lot. Right now it's up again. I'm happy. My Sologenic, I got $10 free to play on Coinfield. I just put it on solo, and it's up to $30, so 200% gains on that. You know, I'm doing good with some of the script projects, and solo has been around that area for a while now for me. So yeah, I'm doing good in some trades. Some trades I'm not doing that great, but you know, let's go check out XRP again. One quick. Yeah, there we go, man. Sorry about that. 7080 on XLM. Let's go check out XRP. Where do you see that 67 hit? 6672. Tapped. Yeah, but tell me the exchange so I know where to look at. Because right now I'm hunting. Alright, Coinbase 67. Yes, hit. 67 cents. Hit on the dot, sir. Look, we're still going higher, man. We're just, like, you know, rallying. Again, like I said, target potentially 72.53, right? That will be the next target for this. Let me zoom out more. I want this to come lower. Yeah, there we go. 72.57. I don't have anything else traced after that. So guess what? If we hit that area, I think I said the next target was going to be this, because there's really not a lot. Look at this. After that wick here at 76 cents, which is very close to that 72 cent. And we're just going extremely high. Bitcoin Jake, look at library. Sure, man, I'll look at library. LBRY. My wife has been telling me to sell XRP for the last 2 days. She's like, you should sell, you should sell, you should sell. Unliminal. XRP gonna fly. Flare Network FOMO hasn't even happened yet. Yes, I've talked about that before. Not on this stream, but on other streams. If you don't know, yes, you're gonna get a 1 token of Flare or more than one token, depending on how many people claim it. For every divorce, no. Broke 67 cents. All right, dude. Are we there yet? 67. Yes, 67.22. Great. Again, like I said, 72 is a target, right? 72.5. Yes, you're going to get one token or a little bit more than one flare per XRP that you hold on a participating exchange or on a self-custodial wallet. There's exchanges that are not participating, so if you're holding XRP, go to Flare Network. I think the website, I'll show it real quick. Flare XYZ. And you can go on the information part, and then you can look at this quick stuff. Claiming Spark FAQ. It's from August 27. Snapshot is going to happen on December the 12th. We talked about this the other day, right? 45 billion XRP is going to be distributed. You can get more than one, right? Here it is. To claim, you have to have it on the participating exchange. Result in ballot claimants receiving more than one Spark token for each one XRP that they hold these due to non-participating exchanges being excluded from the distribution, but being counted within the 45 billion tokens that are distributed today, right? So again, that's going to happen, and there is a list for the exchanges. We talked about that the other day as well. Altcoin Trader, Anchor USD, BitBay, BitBNS, BitTrue, BTC Market, Celsius, CoinField, CoinSpot, eToro, eToroX, Fople, GateHub, GoPax, Nadex, Nexo, tokens Uphold, and your holder. I do have an Uphold. I have a CoinField, and I have a BitBay or BitTrue, and I could go to any of those. I haven't changed it yet to where I have it at, just in case I need to do some trades with XRP. I want to have it on my exchange, but I will move that. I think maybe my target to move it will be December the 4th or the 5th. That way I'm going to be ready and try not get the exchange to block my transaction or something. And I wonder if my exchange is going to try to block the transaction because it's not participating. And guess what? My exchange happens to be one of the biggest partners for XRP for Ripple on Mexico. So it's Bitso. And they're not participating in this. And for me, this is really weird that they're not participating. I think they're just being pricks and they just want to keep that. But I hope that since they're not a participating exchange, they don't get anything. And then if I move my money to another exchange, I get that free flare, right? XLM, big up. 19. We're getting warnings here. All right, first of all, let's check out XRP real quick. And then we got requests to do library. And then I'll do XLM again real quick, Dappers. But thank you for letting me know. But like I was saying here in XRP, right, we don't have a lot going on after that move to 72, right? That 72 cent, then the next thing we have is a fib node, actually. Because if you look here, most of the stuff that's happened here above this area, right, between that 863 and this 725, so I'm assuming a little bit more so you can see it slightly better, I guess. But, I just get that wick to come in and move everything. But there's nothing here in this area, right? You can see it's frictionless. We do have a little bit of resistance here, maybe at 79 cents. That could provide there because we do have a closure here. But most of the stuff here is just free flowing, right? So there's not a lot. There's not going to be a lot of friction here. And we could actually pass this 236 and try to even go here to that $1 mark, right? Or even here 117, right? That 117, I'll just going to draw it right now. I know it's going to be a resistance because look. We resisted there, support here, and it looks sort of like a resistance at this zone. So $1.17 is going to be a resistance, but I don't have a lot to claim here, right? There could be something at this level. We just have that top there, that wick here, right? So, it could work out that we have something here at $1.01, which would be close to $1, right? And again, it became support here. So maybe $1. Again, it's going to be a psychological resistance for XRP. And with that said, let's go check out XLM. Let's go check out library, and then let's go check out XLM because Jake requested a library first. So XRP, doing good. 67 cents, man. 67 cents, man! What? Let's go for 68. Pumping 8.9% today. Which is a lot, right? 9% gains is a lot. Not a lot of people getting in a day. And guess what? It's 9% gains over yesterday's gains of 38%. And that 38% is over 2 days ago's gains of 40%. So, this was 40%, but we only gained 13 cents. This was 38%, but we gained 17 cents. How could that be? Well, we're gaining more on the previous day. That's why. And this is already 5 cents that we're gaining. And it's just 9%. So by the time we get 10 cents, it's probably going to be 18%. So, it's every time the percentage is going to be less, but the gains are going to be more, which is going to be beautiful for XRP. Let's go look at library. We haven't looked at library in a long time. The LBZ. Dude, losing 50. losing 0.5%. All right, let's do library. We haven't looked at the library in a while. Last thing we looked at was this bullish divergence. We managed to pump and then broke down since. So low, lower, negative, more negatives. Nothing bullish here. Maybe in the 4 hour we have something bullish here. 22 pumps at 20, rejected. Got above, below. There's some bearish divergence here on the daily. Get rid of this in the 30-minute. Only in the daily. There we go. Beautiful, man. The bearish divergence here, right? We don't have it against the RSI. We did move down. Low, high, possibly. Everything's good here. Nothing bullish. And we're still coming higher here. Dude, I'm not liking this. From one on until next week, here going lower, and then here we don't have anything, right? We're still coming slightly higher. So we have some bearish divergence happening on the daily. There could be that movement to the downside. How much has it gone up on the month? Dude, this is weird. Library just gone up 37%, which is still fairly good, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. All right, so we have bearish divergence here, right? And again, bullish conditions, bearish indicators don't play out as well. There we go. Now a low high, right? Hidden bullish here. We get a beautiful hidden bullish divergence. So we're creating price action to the upside, getting that small pump coming in. What happened? We went higher. Oh no! My God! What do we do? We created bearish divergence. Oh no! We're gonna break down. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Moving down to the 20, trying to find support, and that's what's happening right now. Finding support at the 20. Failing to go higher than this previous area, I would guess this bullishness to this bearishness to move back down. We have the hidden bullish again. We're in a bull market, so that bullishness could still pump us, right? Even though we failed to move higher than this, and then we'll basically be moving higher, thus fulfilling that prophecy. But right now it looks to be okay. Neutral at 57.64 on the RSI, and on that note, I'm going to go to the 1 hour chart for library credits. So I do believe, I believe we have this. Let's do the porky. Look, coming in lower, right? Boom. And then coming in lower here as well. Bam. Bearish divergence. Moving down. Oh no. Oh yeah. Use all on island. We had some strong bullish divergence here. The bullish divergence is strong with you. That pumped us, right? And then we moved down. Are we doing something a little lower, negative, more negative? No, nothing here. Pumping slightly higher and creating bearish divergence again, right? That's what we're failing to take off right now. That's what we're failing to take off, Captain. There's some bearish divergence ahead. We did move down, hit that 20, finding support, trying to go back up. If we break above this area, that's going to be beautiful. Let's hope and see if we can make more positive momentum. And then it'll be better for library. But again, library, it's not doing much. Sitting at 2.72 cents. Again, gaining 34% a month. It's still extremely good for a lot of coins, right? A lot of projects. That's it for library. Let's go back to XLM now. Oh, Kabanga 19Z3. Damn, my Coinbase went offline. What? Guys, check out your Coinbase. Make sure you're not offline on Coinbase. Actually, I'm going to check out my Coinbase real quick as well. Because now I'm worried. I'm worried, man. I'm worried. If Coinbase is offline, I'm going to move all... Oh, shit. Yes. My Coinbase is offline as well. Coinbase is offline, guys. Says something went wrong. Oops, we encountered a problem. Please try refreshing. I thought Coinbase said that they were not going to crash, or Exchange said they were not going to crash, or they had no maintenance coming up, which is bad. The only thing I have on Coinbase is the tips that I get through the stream on big move incoming. Yeah, could it be to the downside though? That's what I'm worried about, right? Bitcoin like going insanely down and them not wanting you to get out of your Bitcoin. Time to shut down servers. Yeah, library. That's it, right? We could be going on a balance again. That's about it. Yeah, guys. Again, Coinbase is down. So Let's do the right thing and go here and say on Twitter that Coinbase is down, motherfuckers. That's weird. Let me refresh, dude. I don't want to send a tweet without having any proof, so. ADA moving up. Coinbase is famous for that. Something just dropped. Someone just dropped a huge sell, crash the servers, pump hype. 68 tap. Wow, Coinbase working just fine. Really? My Coinbase is not working fine. It's just down here. It was down for me, but pop back up. Oh, dude, really? Tightening all your stops now. Yeah, down for you again. Maybe a lot of people are in there, dude. Ahmed Sahin, should we sell? Shit, that's up to you, bro. You know, it's what's your strategy? That's what we talk about here, right? Your strategy. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. It's your money. You ultimately know how much you're willing to risk. And Coinbase came back up. Great. Bro, will it drop? Will what drop? Ahmed, let me know, and I'll tell you if it will drop or not. But you gotta let me know what will drop. Which coin? Which coin are you talking about? I'm looking at library right now. Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum. Will the whole crypto market go in flames? Bye-bye. Let me know, dude. Because without further information, it's hard for me to tell. 68. We're above 68. Great stuff on XRP, man. It's moving on FOMO. Yeah, we do have bearish divergence, though. Just keep that in mind, right? XRP, FML, sell at one. What? You sell, Steve? What do you sell? Oh, at ADA, I guess, right? At 17.5, and you just run past it. Wow. Ethereum, 620. Wow. Oof. Yeah. XLM, big valve. Yeah, I know, dude. Everything's pumping. Everything's going high. Everything's going good, man. The markets are awesome. Guys, if you like what we do, hit that like that button and stuff. Ahmed, again, back to your question. Will it drop, dude? Right now, I'm expecting it to hit 72.5. So I don't think it's gonna drop soon. I do believe it could drop because it went up too high too quick. But with that said, you know, I would tell you ADA. Sorry, yeah. Then $1 XRP 90 cents Canadian. Awesome. Well, if we're gonna avoid that, I'll tell you what. XRP 13 pesos Mexican. Wow. Here I had this expected move. I was expecting it to move down. It did move down again. It did pop back up, but you know. Whatever. Ahmed, yeah, we can move down. Right, that is your reality. I'm not expecting it yet. I do believe we can get it. We have bearish divergence. Let me just confirm. I think we just got rid of bearish divergence here. At least within this smaller time scale that I was looking at, right? Yeah, we're pumping back higher. So yeah, get screwed that, man. We're getting rid of this right now. Getting rid of this and getting rid of this. Now, do we have it from way back here? Let's check. From here we don't have it, but again, just this is all the highest point, right? So we'll be going from low to high. I just don't want to go over too much data, else it's going to get extremely messy. So 60, 86, and then we're just coming down here, right? So we have that bearish divergence, and that would just track onto there. And then we're looking for that movement down. Sean Stone! 0.81 cents coming. Yeah, maybe, dude. Lol pesos, yeah. We're going to do a dollar bob. Yeah, dude. Dude, there's so much chat going on. I don't think I've ever seen that much chat. Sean Stone, 81 cents. What? Where? 81, like, Canadian? Are you talking, what? 81 cents on what, bro? Like, all I see is, like, 68 cents here when I'm looking at XRP, bro. So I'm not sure what you're talking about. 69. Where do we wick 69, bro? Where do we wick 69? It's all good. It's all healthy, dudes. We're coming on 72, right? That is a target. 81 cents still climbing. What? Look at fifth target. What fifth target? I have fifth targets already. My fifth target's at 86. I have it on the daily. I'll show you the daily. Look, from high, I haven't pinpointed this, but I should probably pinpoint it just to get more accurate. But from the high, which it's almost there at 3.31, I'll just look at it real quick. 3.317, so I'm very close, 3.319. To the lowest we've made, right, or I'm calling the local low now. I have the fib at 86.32, man. That is my fib, right? Yeah, I know, the 2.16. You mean the... Why are you looking at 2.16? It's 236, dude. Or you may be typo, but yeah, 236 is the fib that I have, and it's at 86, right? So that's what I'm looking at. What? Crypto Boomer? I'm getting FOMO. Want to buy something else to kill it? Well, you can send me a tip if you want, and you can kill your money with that. Dude, I'm kidding, dude. No tips requested. They're always welcome if you guys want to have a tip, but I never request tips. It's just messing around with y'all. 69 cent tap, extension wave 3. Dude, I don't do extension waves. I don't believe in Elliott wave and stuff like that. Whatever. For me, Elliott wave, you're just extrapolating too many things for something to happen, and the simpler you keep it, for me at least. And in my experience, the simpler I keep it, the more accurate I am. And in this channel, we are fairly accurate with the calls, targets, and etc. Right? So yeah. Look, I would save Elliott waves or whatever else for whenever we're outside of an area we have no previous history, right? So when we get above $3.31, we can start looking at different ways of charting. But right now, and being the fact that we do have history, I'm looking more at horizontal resistances and fib notes than waves or anything else happening. But yes, thank you for letting me know that. Yo, 15 people watching. Dude, a lot of people tuned in. Thank you for being here. 17 people tuned in. Wow. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, guys, for reals. Join the channel. Join the family. We're cool here. So many people in because there's so much FOMO in the market. We don't FOMO. We don't FUD. Oh my God, still going high, dude. 69.22. What? Let's go. 72 cents. That's the target. That's the next target, right? Look, we hit all the targets that we called on this show. Hit here, right? Rejection, run up, hit here, right? Run up, heading for that 72 cent here. A lot of hits here on their targets, right? Even here, we drew this new support, and that's where we started the bounce. We came back here for support again. Yep. We'll be at 81 cents tomorrow. You're selling half your position, 50,000, then writing the rest for free. Well, yeah, dude, if you put in 50,000 and then you're running the rest for free, that is good. I'm not sure what your in was, but I hope you have a good in and you're covered with your position and you're doing extremely well with that. Dude, what else? Guys, come on, let me know. What do you guys want to look at? And or we can just keep on chatting and, chilling as XRP tries to keep on climbing. 68, oh no, it's pulling back a little bit. Let's play something else. Let's play that. And no, that's repeat. It's a random. Oh, there we go, man. I'm gonna start playing now. In is 9. It's like you're getting that 0.9. That's pretty good, bro. You're getting that 9 cents. That's awesome. I think also, who else was here earlier, man? Well, Crypto Boomer. Someone was here earlier. Dapper Romeo was saying that he got in at like 24. And that's still pretty good, man. He's obviously more than double his money already. I think he said like $2,000. I think that's what he said. $2,000 at 24. We can work that, right? $2,000 at 24 cents. You got 8,333, and right now it's worth 69 cents. We'll just round it off, or 68 cents because it's pulling back. Times 0.68. So he's 5,000 from 666, right? So he's already doubled his money on his way to tripling it almost, or doubling his actual gains, right? If he takes out his in, he'll be almost doubling his money. That's good. You bought 50,000 of that today at 0.12. Sterling Lumen is going to do the same pattern. Yeah, we already talked about that. Yeah, it's not going up as strong, but it's still going up strong, right? Excellent, possible $1, dude. Maybe, dude. We got to check it out. I haven't done that analysis for XLM, but we can do it. XRP 23. Sold around 45, but right back. Yeah, dude. I did the same. I got out somewhere on this area. I think it was here on this pullback, and I can't remember which day it was, but I talked about it. And I got back in. I just covered the exchange fees and got in with the same amount of XRP that I had. So, you know, I'm still hodling and waiting for this to happen, right? Again, new hour happening at 11 p.m. Wow, we've been live for 2 hours and change. Hour 58 minutes. Great stuff. Dude, what else? A lot of stuff going on here in the chat, man. Hammerfell saying same. My crypto boomer, great. 50,000. Yeah. Let's do XLM, dude, real quick. I know it's gone nuts tonight. We already did Stellar. I haven't looked at Fibs, though. That's what I meant when I said we haven't done Stellar. Someone was talking about, like, $1. And I want to look at Fibs and retrace this to see where we could go. Stellar. Dude. On the daily. 34%. Great stuff. In the last couple days, yeah, it's gained a lot, right? We already did this. We looked at it in the monthly. It was doing 100%. Right now, doing 128%. XRP was doing 150% on the monthly, which is really good. For the fibs here, right? I had some of the fibs. We're obviously retracing up that 1618. I'm gonna get rid of these fibs. They're old fibs that we're not caring for. And now I'm gonna go from high to low here on the monthly, and then we'll look at them on the daily, right? So where is my low? I'll consider this my low. Or we wicked here. We wick here, and then we wick here at the top. So highest was 46 cents. How can we talk about a dollar when we haven't gotten above the highest? So at least that's the highest on this chart. Let me look at another chart. Do we have more data? Nope. More data here? Oh, dude, we hit $1 here on this chart for some reason. Let's look at another chart that has maybe a little more data. No, this one doesn't have that much data. This one has data. This one doesn't have data going back. It just goes up to 50 cents. This might be a weird FOMO week on Binance, but let's see. Do we have January? February. We don't have. What is this, dude? August, and then it just goes to February. So we're missing data here on Kraken. Shit, man. Should I consider this Binance chart as legit? Let's go high to low. Or low to high, actually. So same stuff. Low to high. So, okay, cool. If we go with this chart, yes, we have hit $1. We haven't done a valid retrace yet, 76, so that would be 23.6% of the way, right? Or somewhere around there. 21 and change, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not doing the math right now. Anyways, we haven't retraced yet, right? We at least need to get to 24 cents first. Sean, my target's 23 and then 46. Yeah, dude, I would say the same. I have it at 24 and then 41, at least if I fib it on the Binance chart. So yeah, I'm close to what you have, so I could agree with you. Yeah. Don't panic sell. We have a smidge of a red candle in XRP. Oh my god, dude, no, it's crashing. Probably major retail crashing in Coinbase. Dude, something, dude. Is Coinbase still down for you guys? I'm not sure. I haven't checked. My Coinbase is not loading jack, so. It's not loading, apparently. Not loading when I want to see my wallet and my account, so that's not good, right? Okay, here's something weird. What's weird, Boomer? What's weird, Boomer? Did I drop something? Yeah, I dropped something. Move that. Coming in at 18 cents again. Alright, so that's for XLM, dude. On Kraken. Your stops keep getting deleted on Kraken? That's weird. Send them a tweet and ask them, dude, why. Like, maybe their support might be able to assist you. Like, why are your stops getting deleted? Right. Yours is responding. You sure you play stops back, looking go. All right, cool. Let me do something. I'll just shut off Wi-Fi and see if I can get this to load. It might be that I'm like my Wi-Fi's off. If I go home, it loads, but as soon as I go to my portfolio, it just won't load. It's taking forever. So yeah, my Coinbase apparently is having problems. You know, screw that. Let's go back to XRP again and see where it's at, dude. Is it pulling back still? 68? No? Well, sorta. About a cent, right? We're pulling back about a cent. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. How many people online? 16 people. Awesome, dude. There's so many people in here. Thank y'all for being here. 110 people have stopped by to look at the stream and say hi. Well, not all say hi, but at least they mentally say hi. And they say, yo, dude, what's up? What's happening with XRP? Tell me. And then, you know, they left. But some of you have managed to stay and like this content. And I hope you're subscribing and liking the content. So if you do, hit that like that button, that sub. And, you know, join us. We're here every night. Right? We're here every night. We have been here every night for over a year. A lot of people haven't discovered us because a lot of people are starting to come back into crypto, you know, now that it's pumping. But we've been live during bear markets. And we started this channel on a bear trend, actually. So yeah, we've hardcore been here over a year and like 3 months now. So if you like the content, subscribe, like, and follow, guys, for reals. We've just non-stop been here almost every day. It's just rare the day that I'm not here, or the days that I'm not here. 111 people. Wow, that's awesome. I'm not sure what I'm going to do when this channel explodes and just do, like, you know, boom, wow. Anyways, yo, what else you guys want to look at? Let me know. We can look at whatever you guys want, so everything's fair game. It is all fair game, young Padawan. Woo! 273 subs. Great stuff. Right, so I guess there's nothing else going on in chat. That's it. Right, so again, moving down slightly, right? 68 cents again. Not too much. Like not even a cent right now. Like half a cent. And it's still pulling back up, so that's great. Dude, I'm going to do stuff that I rarely do. Half hour and 15 minute. Again, like I said, it seems to be playing a little bit more reliable right now for XRP. Those shorter time scales. Will I be claiming Spark tokens? If so, what method will I be using? Yes, very likely BitTrue. That's what I'm kind of set on right now for claiming Spark. Look, I was looking for bearish divergence here, right? And again, obviously this kept on moving since. We no longer have it here against the RSI, or against the MACD, sorry. We just went higher. But we still have it against the RSI. So, you know, that's probably why we're still facing the small resistance here. Steve, sorry, just watching some charts. And then Jake says he has something on his video. I'll open that. Just give me one quick second, Jake. Open tab. And let's see. It's not, like, you know, I don't want to show, like, not safe for work content. 67. No, the pullback. And it's fine. We've pulled back plenty of times. What would be a target for pullback? Dude, for reals, although I would hate to say it, a potential to hit would be the 20 moving average. And that's above the 60 cent mark. On the 30 minute, again, we just kept on going higher quickly, right? And a pullback could potentially see us hit the 20, right? We know that. Bitcoin supply shock acceleration. Things about grayscale is that Bitcoin's going to go never come out. All right, cool. Let's show this. Guys, again, Jake, you can post that on the Discord for people to look at as well if you want. I want to hear, and it says that Bitcoin supply shock. You know, you can read it out. I'm not going to read it out live. But something about acceleration happening because you know, I'm not sure if you guys read this, but I think it was like PayPal bought 70% of the minted Bitcoin over the last month or so, or something like that. It was something insane. Anyways, yes, according to Flare Network, yes, because BitTrue is one of the participating exchanges. And it says here, does my exchange support the Spark distribution? If you're a customer of Support Exchange, then your exchange has indicated publicly that they will distribute Spark tokens pro rata to their customers based on their XRP holdings. If your exchange is not listed on that link, you should assume for now their exchange will not be participating. And then it says, how how do I claim? If you self-custody, you have to do something. And then it says you have to claim within 6 months. If your XRP is held at a supporting exchange, they will handle the claim process and distribution for you. You may need to take some actions within the exchange website app itself. So, you know, you just put it there, and then you wait for that. I'm putting pension funds on Grayscale. That's awesome. Does Grayscale work with international clients? Because I would be looking at doing something with them. That would be awesome, dude, if I could do something with Grayscale. Anyways, look, that bearishness still trying to drive us down, right? Let's go to the 15-minute chart, see what's going on there. On the 15-minute chart. Look, we're working for the bearish divergence. We did get that small red candle. We managed to still on pumping. That's great. Low, higher. So we're getting rid of that. That's good. Low, higher. We're getting rid of that also. Everything's going higher. It's just, everyone's buying it, man. So we no longer have bearish divergence. Isn't that great, bro? We could, you know, just the only thing I'm worried about is that we're overbought, right? That's it. We could pull back down slightly, right? Wouldn't be weird if we pull back down slightly, do something like this. Let me draw it out for y'all. We could pull back down slightly like this, and then maybe go back up, and then like that, and then maybe we create some bearish divergence, right? And that's not going to be a time frame. That's not going to be the exact move. I'm saying what could more or less happen, because then we'll be one like this, right? To a lower point, then to a lower point. Because then this will probably like go slightly down here, and then try to go up again, and then like that, and then we'll create that bearish divergence, right? I suck at drawing. That's fine. That's why I'm not an artist. But you know, it could be that move. Or this could just keep on going higher, right? Bitcoin Jake, Crypto Boomer. Know that Grayscale only buys Bitcoin. You can sell your GBTC shares, but they'll never plan on release any of their 500,000 Bitcoin back into the public. That's awesome, bro. Steve S. Question: how do you know how far a move will go in a bearish decision? I'll tell you that in a second. That Romeo doesn't mean on next level $1. Sean Stone, if Fed starts to get worried about Bitcoin altcoins taking over fiat, there's only tool to fight back with to raise the price of gold. Just saying 1,700 to 1,800. It's a flagpole bottom. Buy with 43% plus. Yeah, I do agree, dude. They could try to raise the price of gold, but gold is a free-flowing market that's also based on speculation and on actual liquidity and scarcity of the asset. Yeah, there are only options to go with that, and I do get, and I do agree with you that there's going to be a fight for power, right? The government and the central banks are losing their power with cryptos, and they're going to start doing stuff to keep their power, because that's how things go. Even though they're not going to be able to do anything, they're still going to try to fight it. They try to fight alcohol back in the 20s. They couldn't fight alcohol. They had to legalize it. They had been fighting drugs for a while, and they just know that they cannot do it, and they just have to legalize it. Look, the government sometimes overstep their power of decision by telling us what we should be doing and what we shouldn't be doing, when in reality we put them in power for them to like generally keep the country together, and you know, but they should not be telling us what we should do and not do on our free time and with our bodies, right? That is something that, you know, it's bad. Like ADA has bearish divergence, but will it drop 5% or 10%? Crypto, they buy Ethereum and Litecoin as well at Bitcoin Jake. Yeah, Bitcoin Jake, yeah, have 2.10 EOS recovered. Awesome. Shastan, Fed will buy gold to raise the price. They'll not lose power. Yes, I agree, dude. And that's something that we've said before, right? The governments are not going to like it. They're going to put up a fight, and but they're not going to be able to get rid of crypto because it's a global phenomenon. And you can still transact it from one wallet to another one without the need of an exchange. You can still do it with decentralized exchanges. And either they're smart up and, like, you know, start doing something pro crypto, or they're gonna start losing the game, and they're gonna start losing power. Because I think another YouTuber, I think it was Sam, once said that, you know, if you have a problem with the government, they'll freeze your assets, right? they'll freeze your accounts, but no one can freeze your crypto. So of course, or no, it wasn't him. It was like McAfee, I think. McAfee said that they cannot freeze your crypto because it's on a wallet, so they don't have power over you, and you're really free when they cannot control you because they control the money, they control your bank account, they can tell your bank to freeze your funds, etc. But if they cannot freeze your funds, then you're truly free of the oppression that they exert on people by freezing their accounts. And for reals, the government sometimes do tell us how to behave when we don't put them in power to tell us how to behave. We put them in power for them to rule and to pass laws that are pro the people, but sometimes they end up overstepping and telling us other stuff that shouldn't be what they should be saying or doing, right? So they believe that because they're in power, they have the right to dictate how certain things should be done, and that's not the case. Anyways, look at the possible bull flag on gold if bottom hits 1,100-ish. Interesting chart. Yes, I have gold open, but let me first address Steve's question. I already looked at gold earlier. Something big happening soon, 2 weeks or so. All right, cool. Let me give me 1 quick second, Sean. Steve asked something about Steve. I'm guessing ADA. All right, so on my way back to ADA, down to ADA, I'll just show you gold real quick. I think I know what flag you're talking about on the daily. You're talking about this flag happening here, right? That I have charted, right? That falling wedge. We sort of tried to break out of and broke back in. Yes, I've already looked at that. We'll look at that in a second, though. Let me go to ADA though, because we got that request first. ADA, cool. Okay, so we're getting all of that old 100% here. That's great, man. Now we're heading to the 1618. So let me invert this, because I did it the opposite way when I did it. Because for some reason my fibs work inverted. So from low, so I have to do it from the opposite way. One, high to low. With that, we're looking at the 1618 retrace, right? So the 1618 retrace happens to be now near that 29 cent mark, right? We're at 26. So we're looking for a retrace up to that area on a different, I don't have a different 88 chart, so I'm going to have to use this one. Just ignore all this blob that's going to be here, because we're going to look at where we could go in fibs from. I'll just consider this a low, I guess. For some reason I have this support there. Low to high, there we go. Right, so we're looking at the first, we would be targeting 31 cents, right? That would be the 786. Then we'll look for that 618 at 54 cents on ADA. I'm going to move up. But right now we have a low resistance that we need to get above. How do I know how much is going to drop? I don't. I would expect it to drop to a target. So if you go to the 1 hour chart here, and you can see it's dropping, very likely what I told you was going to happen is we're going to break above this area, right, or the 100% retrace. We're going to pull back down, test it as support, and then try to break back up again. Right? Hayden Trading, how's it going, man? Weekly. Yes, dude, I know on the weekly. But like I said, give me a second. Let me finish this on Cardano, and then I'll look at gold on the weekly. Because I know what you were talking about. That's why I have that falling wedge there. So, okay, we're looking at this, right? Look, we no longer have the bearish divergence. We're going higher. We're coming higher. So whatever, this potential flag, that rising wedge that we talked about, right, is not going to happen. That's why I told you we have to wait. We didn't have enough data for a flag to happen. It was a very short pattern. Like I said, I wanted to see more data. Now we're still coming slightly higher, so that's fine. And now we're going slightly higher here, and that's fine also. So I'm going to get rid of this. From back here, we could say that we still have divergence, right? From like way back here, right to there. Again, it's too much data points that we're going, particularly because we are only considering the last 14 periods, right? And this is more than 14 periods. So, lesser chance of it playing out, but still finding resistance. That's great. So where could we go? Well, like I said, a retest of this area would be nice. Coming down here, bouncing, and then bouncing back up, right? That would be great, dude. That would be a good textbook of now using resistance as support and getting that pump. So that would be an awesome move. How much of a move is that? Well, let's measure, dude. From here to here, it's already hitting a 4% move, right? To our previous support here, it's almost a 5% move. Thank you, Lighting G, for subscribing. Great stuff. So we're looking there for support, right? So that would be the 5%. So how do you tell me what I look for? 10%? 10%? What would 10% get us to? 10% would get us at least to this area, right? It's the middle of nowhere. So when I was talking about like an exit strategy, like 5%, 10% is usually what I look for, right? As a stop loss. So if I'm getting in here and I don't want to lose a lot, I'll be taking a 5% move, and that pulls me very, very close to this area. Slightly lower. Maybe here will be 5%. Right? So if I want, that's if I want to stop the bleeding soon, right? But crypto has made moves that are over 5%. 10% is no problem, and then it's bounced back up, right? So we know that, you know, we could get stopped out at 5%. So that's why we wouldn't put anything at 2, 3, or 4%, because we know we get those moves in crypto. So if you don't want us to get stopped out, you would put it at 10%. I'm willing to go at 10% move and stop the bleeding there, or a 5% move if I'm not wanting to bleed a lot. And that's what I would just place it, right? So I would place something here, and I would just place probably a line like Alt-H right here, and then I'll put this in red, and then I'll put an alert or something maybe around here, and then just when it gets here, I'll see if it's going to drop lower. Will it drop more than 5%? You could get that it bounces at 5%, right? And you exit. But at least you're executing your plan, and that's part of trading. You have to execute your plan. But you can look for another in, right? Because if it drops below that area, then you already exited, and then you're safe on your money, and you would be good. So that's how I would measure it, Steve. Now let's go back to gold on the weekly, because that was the other request that we had. Gold on the weekly. Oh yeah, dude. There is the weekly stuff. Again, this is a fake breakout. I talked about that. So yes, you were talking about this nice pull. Well, I wouldn't consider this just a pull, because we flagged here, and then we got some chop here. So I guess we could say this is the pull, right? So you want to measure the pull length, right? I guess. So you want me to go with the pull, not the flag. So a move here and breaking out to the upside on that bull flag would get us to 2,300 in gold, which is okay. Or if we want to go with the body, right, the length of the body, we'll be looking at something different. Sorry guys, for some reason when I do certain moves here, everything just goes haywire. Nah, it's not loading. It changed me to Binance. Why? There we go. Go back to gold. There we go. Right on. So that would be one move, and then the other one would be the one that we measured here, right? And then we set on a break to the upside, and we're headed here. We could at least get to that's a measure in the flag, right? 2,119 basically. 70 tap on XRP on Coinbase. Lol, broken now. Great. So yeah, if we measure the pull, let's say, and we consider this the pull body, right? So from here to here, that would give us a different measure, right? So again, like I said, breaking it to the upside, very likely get us to that 20,300 mark, 20,500 actually. Now on a remeasure. So yeah, those are targets, right? And that will be near the 1618 for gold. So it's okay. We're talking about a good move there, right? March low of 2,080 high, 1,800 low, 2,500. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. So yeah, we're more or less looking at the same stuff, I guess, right? Yeah. Yeah, I get it, dude. So yeah. Again, dude, it just depends, right? First, I'll be looking for this small move. Try to see if we can get over this new all-time high on gold. And then, because there's going to be resistance. But if we do, then yes, this move could be in. That said, 70 cent XRP tap. Let's go check out XRP. Dude, today's a long stream. It's a good stream, though. Now, 2 hours and 20 minutes. Great stuff, dude. Great stuff. Streams are getting longer because the market is bullish. Right, let's go check it out here. You said Coinbase, I know, but this is the chart I've been looking at lately. So, did we tap it here? 71, yes! 71, dude. For some reason, it's not loading my resistances now. What? Ah, because I'm on the weekly. I cannot see them. There we go. So, we're hitting for at 72.5, right? That's the target that we called. Like I said, this was going to be a minor one. We tapped it. We run past it. I wasn't worried about 65 cents at all, right? We just wicked it briefly on the 30-minute. We faced enough resistance briefly as the stream was starting, and I told you guys we're gonna break or we're gonna fly past it, and we did, right? So I'm not worried about that. I wasn't worried about this. Now I do believe this could become a support though, slight support when I move down. But 70 cents, dude, that's awesome. It just keeps on bumping. It just keeps on bumping. Dapper Romeo, I told you 75 cents tonight, dude. 72 cents tonight at least, and then we'll see how we behave there, because I do believe 75 cents is gonna be stronger. I'll tell you why. Let me go on the daily. I think I zoom out way too much for the daily. But look, this is 72 cents, right? This is snap, I gotta zoom in, dude. I hate it when this doesn't behave properly. It's just a freaking mess. There we go. 72 cents is the high here of September 2018, which was the last good run. Where it's not that high only, but there's some resistance up here. I think that one I called it from back here. So we have resistance here, right? We have resistance here, support. We have resistance here, support actually, and then 72 cents again here. Some kind of flirting with this area right here, and then here also resistance support. So I do believe we're going to find a lot more resistance there before we actually go to 75 cents. So I do believe it's going to be something there. You think next 2 weeks or so, Bitcoin goes to over 20,000, the Fed panics, central banks move gold as dollar starts to yank down. 93 cents Canadian. Awesome. Yes, let's look at the dollar index. Let's look at the DXY. We haven't looked at that in a while. Dixie, the DXY. The dollar index against a basket of currencies. Where's it at, dude? Where you at, man? All right, so we call the bearishness. That's great. Then we call this bearishness here as well. Look, the last thing we have. Bearish divergence. And then what happened? We moved down. Great. Seem to be finding some kind of support here. Let's just do this real quick. We might have some support around this area, 92.16. How is it behaving on the monthly? It's losing a month down, a 1.74% month down on gold. Let's look at the daily again. I do believe we have some bullish divergence here. 101. Slightly less. Great, man. So for me here, we don't have it here. 38.22 and 36, so slightly less. So we have this bullish divergence. We rallied. Where do we go to? The 20. That's one of the targets we usually call here. We hit the 20. We rejected. Boom. Now we're felt to go lower than the previous low, and that is a bullish indicator, right? That this could continue. And we could be getting continuation on this small thing if we felt to go lower, which we have so far, and we could be going again for that 20. Let's see what else. We want $1 Bob. Yeah, $1 Bob. And Dapper Romeo saying, guys, don't miss out on XLM. Possible 75 cent plus. Yes, I agree. Yeah, I agree with y'all. Great stuff happening tonight in crypto, man. It's been an energetic stream. Last couple streams have been energetic. Probably because crypto's pumping, right? It gives you like the good vibe. You just want to be here chilling and keep on talking about crypto stuff with like-minded individuals that also like crypto. But yeah, dude, crypto is doing good, and crypto is doing good, man. And it does bring that good energy and a lot of people into the room, so that's a lot of fun. Let's go back to XRP again. Let's see where it's at, dude. Is it trying to recover again, or is it still dropping slightly? 69. Ooh. 69, dudes. 69, 19. We're pulling back down, man. Not what I want to see again. Look at the 30-minute chart. Still rallying slightly again. Very likely going to try to lose these divergences that we have here on the 30-minute. I'm not going to change it yet. Again, this is one of the strengths that you keep on tracking, right? We just keep on looking and see if it's going to kick in. Right, the 15-minute. You remember we were calling for a movement down. We did slightly get it. We're recovering again. We're pulling back down, dude. We're probably getting tired here, or slightly tired. We are developing some kind of bearish divergence from here to here. Let me just anchor this on the 15-minute, though. Otherwise, it's going to be a mess. It's going to be a bloody mess. There we go. And then look at this. This is very, very small, dude. It's like a 45-minute window. So I'm not going to put a lot of weight on this, but we are creating some kind of bearish divergence. And we're still pulling back down slightly. Still have a couple hours to go, or minutes to go here on this candle. 31 seconds, sorry. Let's see how it closes. And then the next candle will give us a better idea if we're going to try to recover or still move down. XRP to the peso, 1392. How high do we go? What? 14 pesos and 18 cents, sir? That's good. Ethereum, 613, man. Pulling back down slightly. Oh no. Again, rejection. Remember we talked about this on the 1 hour? We said, what? We're live here when we came in. And we said, look, we're going to probably be struggling with this area because we have bearish divergence, near resistance. And very likely going to try to move down. And guess what's happening here? We're still trying to move slightly higher. Just very, very ever so slightly here. And we're also moving here. So we're facing that resistance. Again, I'm not going to say we're going to crash. All I'm saying is we're going to move down slightly. Right, we're going to move down slightly, get a little bit more strength before we actually go through and burst through that 619 resistance. So again, good resistances, right? We have good stuff here on these charts. We have good calls here on this channel. Again, it's a bullish market, so bearish indicators have a lesser chance to play stronger. But all I'm saying is we're going to move down slightly before we try to burst back up, right? So that's it. Yo, dude, so many people. If you guys like what we do, hit that like that button. That's subscribe to the channel, or I'll take away your crypto. I'll take your keys, man. Then I'll take myself some crypto. Dude, what is going on, dude? Is whatever this exchange Coinfield is Coinbase is still up, dude, or is it still down? I'm worried, dude. I have some dough there. Not a lot, but I have some dough there. Your tips go. If you ever tip me on crypto, it just goes there, and it kind of sucks that I cannot access it. It's still down. What the fudge? Why, Coinbase? Why must you down your servers? Wow, there's a lot of stuff going on there. I wonder if my what was that other free coin that I got? Oh, I got free Solo, right? So I'm gonna check out Solo real quick, see how that's doing. Sean Stott, Janet Yellen at Treasury is going to be a money printing org. Oh, damn, dude. Yeah. Working for you? Coinbase up working? Yeah, mine's not. Maybe I have to shut it down and start it up again. Coinfield, my Solo still at 30 bucks. So, not moved yet. Let me shut down my Coinbase because I'm worried about that now. Opening it up again. XRP undervalued for 2 years. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Link Shoe? Broken 71. Fair value should be at least $1 to $1.20. Yeah, maybe, dude. Right? Some people say that. Ah, it's working now. Great Scott. It's there. It's all still there. Link Shoe. Fair value. Oh, yeah. Really that. Pumping. Yeah, that's awesome. Let's go back and check out XRP. 712. Great. Like I said, target's 72.5, right? So that's the target we're looking for right now, and I do believe it's going to be a stronger resistance than 65. 65 wasn't a strong resistance. We talked about that, and we knew we were going to fly past it. I told you guys. And I also told you that the rally from here to here was going to be frictionless, almost. And look at that. We just went up, right? Look, by the way, Steve, this is what I was talking about, right? It's a beautiful example of retesting. Look, we pumped past this support. We came back down, tested our support, right? This resistance, and then tested our support, and then we're bouncing, and we're heading for the next area, which I do believe the stronger resistance is going to be 72. After that, it's going to be pretty much a, if we get above there, it's going to be a fly up to 86 cents, or 86 cents, which is where I have my thing. You're going to sell half at $1. Dude, a lot of people are going to sell and take profits. Let's get it done, yeah. Do I have a chart for the overall micro crypto market? Dude, I'm not sure what you're talking about, Sean. I have a chart for this market cap without Bitcoin, right? So I'm not sure if that's what you're talking about. Total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. That's about it, though, right? Compared to the Bitcoin chart, yeah, it's still going high, right? But again, this one's going exponential, and Bitcoin chart with Bitcoin is not going exponential. I'm not sure if that's what you're talking about, but this is what I have, bro. This is what I have. 72 tap, great, man. Again, dude. Let me know if you have a chart and you see it on TradingView. Send me how you look for it, right? The whatever you want, small name for the chart, and I'll just pop it open here. It's not a problem. Or if you're on the Discord, on our Discord, send me a link and I'll open it up, right? It's not a problem. Broke 7.2. Broke 7.2. What? 7.139. We're pulling back, dude. Again, how high do we go? 7.211. Great. I wonder if I should buy more Ethereum. Looking good to reach that 1,000. Yes, it is looking good. Like on track to here at that 1,000. Selling at $1 plus 2K at 24. Yeah, dude, I know, dude. You're gonna get a lot of dough on that. You're gonna get 8K on your like 2K investment. Or no, sorry, yeah. How much was it? We already did the math for that. You got. Well, this wasn't it. Let me start a new calculator here, fresh. So you're getting 2K at 24. So you got 8,300. At $1, you're just gonna have like $8,333. So congrats on your 2K. You like 4 times your dough, right? 3 times your investment, but 4 times total. Great stuff. Again, dude, like, we're going higher, man. We're going higher. And again, we still have this. So again, something I'm worried about, right? We're going to hit this area with bearish divergence against the RSI. Not against the MACD. Against the MACD, we're going to be awesome. But against the RSI, bearish divergence, there's going to be that potential for action to the downside. We're going to see what happens once we hit it. Let's go to the 30-minute chart, man. Sorry, 15-minute chart. Yeah, so market minus Bitcoin. What is room left on that market chart? How much room does the whole market have to run? All right, I'll check that out in a second. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, XRP, man. Do it. Do your thing. All right, let's go check out how much room we have to run here. Let's go on the daily. All right, so Nickelodeon. There we are. So from high to low, we once hit the retrace, which is fine. We didn't break above it. Then we pull back down, but really didn't wick again that 100% low. Oh, we did wick it here. All right, so we could say, did we wick it here? It looks like we wicked it. Very, very close to wicking it here. And very close to wicking it here. So we could, maybe in the weekly it'll look like a double bottom. Did this thing double bottom? Yeah, it looks like we sort of double bottom, right? At least with the wicks. All right, so 1 bottom, 2 bottoms, and we're retracing on that. Do I want to call it a double bottom? Not really. Don't look like a textbook double bottom. Maybe in the monthly, it'll look like a double bottom of sorts. It looks like a butt. It looks like butt cheeks. We did. It looks like we did an even eve if we want to call this a double bottom, but I'll just call it butt cheeks. Hey, butt cheeks, how's it doing? Looks like butt cheeks. They're butt cheeks, right? So yeah, we have 1, 2, right? So yeah, double bottom. I'll do that here on the monthly, I guess. I think we already hit that move, right? Yeah, whenever we broke this, I think we're hitting that move. We're about to hit that move. So much higher though. Here on the neckline. Yes. Yeah, so we're hitting that area already. We're double bottoming this and we're just retracing now. That's awesome. Link Chu, lol. Huh? Guys, put something on XLM. Possible 75 plus. Yes. 73 broken. Oh, great, dude. So, okay, I'm going to go back to that. Oh, we're flying past 72, dude. But we got close above there, remember. Again, 86 is the next target if we break above that area. Let's go here on the daily, though, and stop messing around. You got to stop messing around, dude. Right, so we're retracing to 382, which is, where we started the main retrace area. 382, then we have the 50%, and then we have the 618, right? So we still have some room to run to the upside. It could be that we reject this zone. Apparently, we're breaking into this day already. Yeah, you can see last day. Again, I'm not pinpointing it, but it could be that we just closed here and opened right at that 382. So if that is the case, there's still a chance that we reverse and close and then try to reject. I hope that's not the case. I do hope we run to this $255 billion area, or at least this $310 billion area, right? And then retrace, right? That will be the end of the main retrace area. We can do a deep retrace over here to that 381, or even 100% retrace, which I don't think it's gonna be the case. We still have over halfway to go, right? But 74 broken again. XRP doing insane. XRP rocketing. I do believe we're going to get pullback. I'm not seeing that, dude. I'm not seeing that. I just went to the chart. It says 72, dude. Did we just get massive pullback? Or are you just messing with me, Soka? Oh, it's turning. There we go. Dude, what's the high? 73, dude. I don't see 74. At least not on this chart. So, tell me charts. That way I know what we're looking at. So, again, pullback, right? We could close here. And let's see where we call this at. So we had it on the daily. Coinbase, 1 minute. I'm not going to go to the minute chart, dude. Back here, dude. I need to see that 72 cent area, dude. Again, yeah, this, I mean, This could also be a resistance here. I'm not sure how strong this is going to be, though. Why am I calling this a resistance? We wicked here, and then we wicked here, right? We wicked here on the bottom. And then seems like we will also play around with sorry, it went too far out, I guess. Let me zoom in here. It's this one that I just traced, 76 cents, right? So we wicked here, right? And then, you know, we're in this area where we became resistance. So, you know, it could be that either this or this, but I do believe 72 cents is going to have a little bit more strength. We still have, like, we're on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Sorry, the 1 hour. We still have, dude, where am I at, dude? Take me to now. When? Now. Take me to now, man. We still have 18 minutes to go, and we could pull back down and close below 72. I don't want that to happen. I want this to go pumping, but you know, let's see how this is going to play out. Got 738 on Kraken, ADX Lamb following XRP lead. Yeah, dude, they are following XRP lead. Sean 74 hit on Coinbase. Yeah, that's what Soka said. 74 just hit here on Bitstamp, so that's legit now, right? This is going ballistics, dude. I'm starting to get worried that we're going to get massive pullback, and we're going to get a potential crash. It's going too high too quick on the daily, dude. Again, for the third day in a row, like, it's not healthy for the market. We need to get a correction, or the correction is going to be massive. And that's what's starting to worry me a little bit now. And all the green index is high. I'm like being the opposite, right? Because I'm starting to be scared for the potential correction or the potential crash coming in. We know this for Bitcoin. And the fear and greed index is still at 88, so it did retrace a little bit because Bitcoin is pulling back down. There's so much greed on this on XRP and the other ones that, yeah. Link Shoe, massively pullbacks will happen, especially when there's no correction. Yes, I know. We need to start correcting, right? The market's going to correct itself. And the crash could be big. Just as a measure, I will say that from where it's at right now, it's 73.9, so almost 74, right? So let's try to get there. And then a 30% correction wouldn't be weird, right? Us crashing 30% of the way to 51 cents wouldn't be weird. And that's going to be a massive crash for a lot of people. If you're getting at 75 cents and you drop to 50 cents, you're losing a third of your value, or like that, right? So I would hate to say this, but I think it's going to be a sleepless night for me tonight. I'm probably going to have a lot of alerts. So my alert used to be here, right? Because we were flirting with this area a lot intraday. Now my alert's probably going to be up here at 72, dude. So I'm going to change that. Is it going to let me move it? Nope. All right. Here we go. Dude, let me correct it. There we go. 72.5. I think that's what I'm going to place it at. Every time it crosses, I want to know. So that's it. Did it not change it? 725. There we go. So now I move my alert. I want to know if it crosses that line, because I'm starting to get worried about a correction happening now. Don't care after $1. Massive pullbacks will have. Yeah, if you have a chance to see $1, you're at for this year. Yeah, if we get to $1, we already talked. There's resistance up there. And I'm worried that, here we're going to face something at that 236 at 85.95, and we could be getting some resistance there, right? What level do I think will confirm a dip to 50 cents? I'm not calling it 50 cents, dude. I'm calling it 30% down. Well, I'm starting to get to that level when I'm starting to get worried, bro, because it's going up too high. Link shoe. Oh no. Link shoe, just keeping it real. All right, hand strong. 75 tap. Broken now. Coinbase. All right, awesome. She's going to keep on running. 76, 74. All right, so, dude, we know 3/4 is going to be a resistance, right? Psychological resistance. So you're going up 3/4, right? You're like 3/4 to $1. So let's do this with XRP. Dude, hi man. I'm not calling it a 50. I'm not calling it a drop to 50 cents. I'm calling it for a 30% drop at least on a correction, right? Sorry guys, I'm just getting tired of sitting on this chair, dude. I'm pulling up some info for you, by the way. So I'm just trying to see if they have something like a little bit more resumed that we could look at. All right, so I did find something. I'll bring it in here real quick, and then I'll remove it. But all right, here it's gonna be too small for you. But it says source Schwab Center for Financial Research. Each period listed represents the beginning of a month, end of the year, or whatever. The general definition for market correction is a market decline that's more than 10%, but less than 20%. A bear market is usually defined by a decline of 20% or greater. The market is represented by S&P 500 index. I don't believe a 30% correction is gonna represent. That's for a traditional market. I don't think it's gonna represent a drop or a hardcore like correction for a crypto market, right? Dude, XRP on what is this exchange? Coinbase 78, dude. The rest of the exchanges are below. What? There's some chances, dude. If you can play arbitrage, right? That's the name of the game right now. Yeah, dude. I know. 78 though on Coinbase. Right now, you could buy on any of these small exchanges and go to Coinbase and sell it at 79 because he just wakes 79. What the fuck, dude? It's going insane. Dude, I don't want to get a correction. I don't want to get a correction. I know, 79. I just saw that. Because S&P has lower volatility. Crypto's a real roller coaster. Yes, I know. That is why I'm saying that a correction of 30% wouldn't be a bear market for crypto. It would just mean that we're correcting. Now, dude, the only exchange that's showing that is Coinbase. The rest of the exchanges are at 75, 74, 75, 75, you know. So, again, it's something off with Coinbase, dude. Damn it. 99-cent Canadian. Great stuff, dude. Heading for that 80-cent mark. 80 cents, you just hit it on the dot. You see it here live on the stream. I know, dude, it's just going insane. I thought we were going to get more resistance there at 70 change, right? So, let's see if 86 is going to provide TV resistance. I'm opening up my my exchange right now here on the cell phone, so I can be ready. I got to be ready, man. Dude, my Bitcoin is doing beautiful. My XRP is doing beautiful. It's all doing great, man. 11 cents to go till 86 cents. Yes, 11 cents to go until 86 cents, man. 6 cents to go on this exchange. 81 on Coinbase. What the hell is going on with Coinbase? Guys, I'm going to be right back. I need to, like, stretch my legs real quick and need to, like, get more water. So give me one quick second. I'll be right back, right? I am back. Is this still going up? Is it still skyrocketing? Where did we hit? Where did we stop? 88. Damn it, dude. That went high too quick. Yo, excellent possible big winner. Steve is saying he's off to sleep. Dude, don't sleep. It's going up high. 82, 83, 83. A dollar plus on ENG tonight. One party the whole December. I'm off to sleep. Link shoe, facts, excellent possible big winner. Excellent has a huge rate of growth. It's insane. Yes, it is insane. Dude, so many people live. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, guys. We are live every night. I haven't done DVT. I'm going to do that real quick. Again, I'm not showing this project. I'm not pushing it. It's gone up to 23 sats. It was at 20 sats or 18 sats. So it's also going up quite a bit. This is a project that I have invested in. It's 37% gains. That's good. I have become part of their marketing DAO. I'm not pushing the project. I just want to see how it's doing because I do hold a lot of this project. So it's a big chunk of my portfolio. So, or I wouldn't say a bigger chunk than other coins, but it's a sizable chunk of my portfolio. So I just want to check it out real quick. Now I'll go back to XRP, right? So, and look at the other markets, by the way, also. So that's gonna be cool. Right? We're doing cool stuff tonight. We've been live for 2 hours and 49 minutes. So some strong bullish divergence here, right? All the way to there. And then here we don't have it on the other side. So again, action to the upside. We're getting that nice pump. High, same height. Are we going higher? Yes, we're going higher. And we're also going higher. So we don't have anything very short term. That's great. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Low, lower. Lower, negative, less negative, right? And low, high. That's awesome, dude. We have some bullish divergence here as well. So from here to here, and then from here to here on the 4-hour chart. So great stuff. Starting to recover on the bullish divergence. That's great. We don't have anything bearish, right? High, low, positive is positive, high on the other side to lower point. Let's go to daily real quick. I'll go back to look at the chat. 74. Awesome. 92. For real, Soka? Yeah, I know. Coinbase is insane. All the guys got out at 45, so sick now. Yeah, because they have been waiting for so long. Yeah. Soka 74. Did it just crash? Yeah, I have. Dude, it's going insanely high. I'll go back to that in a second, though. Anyways, EBT, again, low, lower, negative, less negative, low on the other side of the hard point. Again, bullish divergence on the daily. So a lot of bullish divergence on DVT. I'm hoping that we get our Christmas pump here on this project. Again, it's paired against Bitcoin, so it hasn't lost a lot of value. Right? So it's good. It's holding its ground. Great stuff on DVT. We'll check how much it's worth right now. I think it's 0.004 cents or something like that. So let's refresh this. 0.004, yeah. So it hasn't lost a lot of value, right? Getting 14% today. Great. Oh, dude, it pulled back massively. 79, Soka. And it's pulling back in a lot of exchanges. I told you guys. We need to confirm closing above this area so we move on. Again, I told you 72 is my target, so I hope we don't get massive pullback to there. We have 5 minutes to go on the hour, so I'm going to stay here live with y'all and chill for this next 5 minutes. It dropped 12% a minute. Yeah, dude, it was going too high. It was not in sync with the rest of the exchanges. And I'll tell you, still right now on Coinbase, it's still 83, dude. The rest of the exchanges are at 78 max. 77, right? Look, I'll show you guys this. I usually keep this hidden. I'll move that to here. I guess you can see it now. I have half my screen hidden. So XRP, 77, 77, 83, 77, 77, right? Against Bitcoin, still gaining 26%. And again, in pesos, it's 1560. So Coinbase is just going insanely high, insanely quick. I guess this is where I had it. Now I got to check that y'all can see still the same stuff because I don't want to show the ticker. That way you get... The only reason I hide the tickers on my watch list is so you get more real estate here. You're able to see more of the chart because if I had that, it'll just become too squeezed for y'all to be able to see that better, right? Let's see what's going on in the chat, bro. It just keeps disconnecting me from Twitch. If you guys have set the tip, I'm sorry about that if I haven't seen it. Because it just keeps disconnecting me from Twitch right now. And it wants me to update OBS, and I'm not going to do that. I think that's the reason why it keeps on disconnecting me. What else is happening? Should have sold it here. Yeah, if you had it on Coinbase, you should have sold it there. I was going parabolic. I told you it was going to fight the dollar and ENG. Yes, bought it. Bought it back. That's cool. Did you sell and you bought back in? This candle's massive. Might start selling from 75. Yes. 9 cents to go. 8 cents to go. Yes. Yes. I agree with y'all. We're almost at 86. That's where things start to get scary. I told you guys. I'm worried about XRP hitting that area. It is the beginning of the retrace zone. We can hit our rejection once we get there. Although we don't have anything bearish. Look how quickly we're going up, dude. Look at this candle. It was 17 cents. This one's 15 cents. It's only 25%. This one was 38%. Again, same levels. Again, rejecting 76, below 76, man. Come on, go higher. 77. It's just wildly moving right now. It's fluctuating. If we close below 75, there's a chance we could start retracing a little bit. I do want to see this close above 75. Maybe open here and try to see if we hold that support. Right now we're below that area again, slightly. Or no, we're right on that target. Let me go to the 1 hour because it looks so bad on the daily. Makes it look as though we're below, but we're almost there at 70. I have it at 76. Sorry, 76.33. We're at 76.39. We want to hold that area, dude. If we close above there, we're gonna be good. We have 2 minutes and 25 seconds to go. 23, 22. Sean Stone, solo at 85. You're good, man. You can buy back in 10 cents lower, man. That's good stuff. We can wait for it to drop lower, man. I'm still. I need to open up my exchange, brokes. I want to take it. I might be looking for an out. I'm not sure if I'm, like, you know, in my exchange, dude. It just keeps on logging me out sometimes. So, here it's not that high, dude. Let me go to the... And my exchange has the worst interface ever, man. They try to make it look cool, but it's just fucking horrible. It sucks for trading. You're not charted. They only provide you the analysis that they want you to see. It's just not a good exchange chart. Show me the 1 hour. It's pulling back on this 1 hour here. No, I'm showing me Bitcoin. What the hell, dude? I wasn't XRP. 1531. Come on. 81 on Coinbase. Yeah, I know, dude. Coinbase is like so high, man. The rest of the exchanges are like chumps right now. I'm trying to see what the high was. 1574, 1525 on the exchange. I mean, it dropped about 50 cents more or less. Again, it doesn't let me like take measures or anything. It just sucks nuts. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to go here on this exchange. It's pulling back below 76. I told you guys. Here, it's still high at 1502 here on the live screen. It's dropping below 15 pesos, 14.97. We're starting to get pulled back. Oh, mother trigger! Come on, alert! Hold on. You can hold on. Oh, we're getting the pullback, dude. I told you guys. This was gonna be a real resistance here, right? We managed to close above 72. That is good. Now it's become a support. That's good stuff there, right? We'll still have this bearishness. Pumping back up. Come on. Dude, that 72-cent area was key. I told you guys it was going to be real resistance, and we did pull back down to that area again, and we're managing to get above it. We already kind of wicked close to it. Where do we wick to? We wicked to 72.77 already. So very, very close to 72.57, right? We could rally again to 76 and maybe reject. But again, I would say we could go here. I just don't like the fact that we're going too high too quick, right? I've been telling you guys that already throughout the stream. And the reason why that is because we have to get corrections and pullbacks. And they become stronger the higher we go without getting them. So again, at 14.96, I'm glad I didn't exit because I would have to buy back in at a higher rate. So I'm just chilling. You know, I'm glad I didn't. You know, when those drops happen, you know you're gonna get pullbacks again, right? So you're gonna push back up, or pull back up if you want to call it. So I was scared. I was like, FOMO started to kick in for a second. And I opened my exchange. I have it here open on the side, but, I was waiting for it to, like, confirm closing. And right now we're getting a little bit of that bounce back, which is okay. I'm waiting for it to really keep on going. My exchange has a huge wick on the previous candle. The body, it was huge. Right, the new candle hasn't even shown opening. Still showing me the previous candle because it sucks as an exchange for some reason. I'm looking at the 1 hour chart. Why? Showing me the half hour again. Why? Why are you showing me the half hour when I want to see the... Oh, dude, it's pulling back down. Damn it. But at least not flash crashing like it was a couple minutes ago, right? Now, on Coinbase, we're below the rest of the markets. That's weird, dude. No, that's Kraken. Where's Coinbase? Here it is. 71.50, right? It's built. No, that's Binance. Why? Where's Coinbase now? I can't see it. Here it is. See, Coinbase is moving down lower than the rest of the market. It just went insanely high. It's pushing back down massively. I'm sad that I don't have my XRP on Coinbase. I would have taken some nice profit here. Maybe at 92, I would have out. My exchange didn't go as high. My exchange is Bitso, which sucks. And again, it just went to here, 15.74 pesos. It didn't pull back down as much though, right? Again, if you were on Coinbase, you were a lucky guy who could get out much higher than the rest of us plebs. And it dropped 6% though, right? That would have been a good out. It was almost 1 peso, dude. That would have been a good in for me at that out. But right now, again, it's still climbing, so I'm waiting for it. Over here, my exchange is still red, 14.40. Here's this, so it's like 50 cents below where it's at. And again, it's going to be a wild night for XRP, I think. Asia's still online. Europe's going to come online in a couple hours, right? 2 hours or so. We're really going to try to find out what's going to happen there. So much chat going on. Let me go to the chat. I haven't looked at the chat. I was looking at the changes. Everyone ever Coinbase tagged? Yes, Coinbase, it lagged and sold you up a huge or high. Yeah, that's good. Coinbase full of retail FOMO. Your candle closed at 73 on the dot. Now you can't log in. Wow, Ethereum. Crazy. Logging now. Coinbase high shows 92. What's it? Ethereum testing 610. Let's go check out Ethereum. Again, this is pulling back down, dude. I should be exiting my position now, I think. And buy back in probably at 65, I think. So. Moving too fast down, dude. It doesn't let me... Come on. Why isn't it letting me catch up the top of the book, man? That's weird. Pulling back up slightly. Dude, come on. I was about to exit. Fuck. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to have to do this off the air because the exchange is acting weird. I don't want to sell at market. And I want to wait for this to... I think this might try to start settling now. It's trying to push back up above 70 cents, which is fine. And we could try to push back up to 72 cents, right? By the time this candle closes or the next candle. Again, we don't have a lot of bearish divergence here on the 1 hour, which is fine. Let's go to the 15 minute. I'm not even sure what's going on with YouTube right now. How many people live? Oh, and damn, I just closed the window for the stream. Show me the window. Here we go. Around the 15 minute. We're looking for some bearish divergence, which we obviously didn't get, right? We're just correcting a little bit. On the 15 minute, we're okay. Let's look at the half hour. So we're going higher, higher, and higher, right? The half hour is also not showing bearish divergence. Look, we climbed higher. We got rid of this bearish divergence. Let me just confirm. 83.59 and 85. So, yeah, definitely higher, dude. There is no bearish divergence. We are recovering. Great. I'm glad I didn't sell. I want us a good chance to scalp. Go out, go back in. 68 on Coinbase. What? It's pumping back up, dude. So yeah, you probably could buy back in right now and take some more position on XRP. I would have loved to have scalped this, but Well, my exchange didn't go as high. I was waiting to see if it was going to catch up, but it didn't. Then it started to fall, and wasn't letting me place the order for some reason. So I'm going to have to like check it out. Because Bitso was acting weird. So, yeah, I just kept on saying top of the book, but it didn't match me, and it wouldn't let me exit. And right now, it's not even showing me where the book is. There we go. So I'm going to wait a little bit, I guess. I'm going to try to see where this settles. And I think we're starting to calm down a little bit. I told you, we're going too high too fast, and we were due for pullback. But that was a good rally, right? Again, 72 proving to be resistance around this area. So great stuff happening here. What's going on here? Let's see. Coinbase 73.45. Again? Really? They're all coming back down. 69. 72 on Coinbase. You know what the hell's going on with Coinbase, dude? It has such a big chance for arbitrage against the other exchanges, right? 1404. Not sure if I want to exit here, man. I think I'm going to have to wait a little bit. It's pushing back up slightly, so I'm going to wait slightly more. Pushing back down slightly again. You know, it just keeps on fluctuating in this area. Let's see where the 30-minute 20 moving average is at. That is at 61 cents. I wish the move should be to that area. I hope we don't get it. Right now, we're bearishly engulfing the previous candle. It's not what we want to see. Let's go to the 15-minute. Not bearishly engulfing, but, you know, still moving down. And going back to bought, which is fine. And here the 20 is at 64. So 64 cents could be a potential target, and I move down. Right here we found support of the 20. Here we could be looking for support of the 20. Again, pushing back up slightly. My exchange is going insane, dude. It's not letting me even place a position, which is weird. Like the new interface they have, it's, well, not that new, but it just sucks nuts. Let's get a good buy point. Oh, dude, it's going to depend on what you want to enter, man, and whether or not you believe these might go higher again. Right now, I'm trying to play my exit, but it's not letting me. And here it's pulling back up, and then on my exchange is still below. So it's not recovering yet. It's going farther down. God damn it, dude. And then it's not recovering. So, yeah. Would have been a nice out here at like wherever I had it at, 15 pesos or whatever. Then getting back in at like a peso and a half down. That would have been extremely cool. It's going to go down more, so I'll just you know, exit now, I guess. Hitting the 20 as support, right? We called that. If we break below 20, it's not going to be good. Could be going slightly lower, so. Come on, dude, show me the... Dude, I'm going to have to log off, dude. It's a fake out, yeah. Maybe, dude. Maybe it's a fake out. I'm trying to, like, update my position here in the exchange, and it's not letting me, dude. It's acting super weird, man. I'm going to have to refresh everything, so... It's not even wanting to refresh the exchange. That's... Just fucking... Come on. Short squeeze? Probably. Bitcoin dumping? Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin moved down 1.55%. It could be part of the reason, right? Bitcoin's going down, so yeah. Everything turned red. Even Ethereum's red now, right? So everyone's going down with that. But XRP is trying to pull back up. Again, my exchange is trying to finally load. I guess they're having problems with their interface. Look, it's not even loading, dude. It's taking forever. So maybe they're getting a lot of traction there. Come on. Fucking hate this, dude. Getting pulled back up, that's great, man. We're getting bought back up. Is Bitcoin also retracing? Yeah, also retracing. That's great, dude. Right, so it could be, yeah, you know, shorts getting squeezed. That's, you know, shorts getting canceled, right? Short position, no, long positions getting canceled. Sorry, and they move down. That is dragging us back down, and now we're like, you know, trying to recover to a certain area. If I were to sell, I would sell half of my position right now, and wait my other half. But again, we're just getting retraced right now. So again, the 20 providing support, right? And I don't want to go to the 5-minute chart, but I think I'm gonna go there. I charted something on the 5-minute earlier on today, and I just think when you go to the 5-minute, you're doing it out of desperation. So we do have something though, right? The 5-minute is providing some hidden bullish, and that's why we're getting potentially this bounce. Hidden bullish divergence, right? Look all over the place, even against the side, which is good. Right, lower. So that's where we're pulling back up. Now we're gonna face the 20 as resistance, and that's gonna be at 70 cents. If we reject there, we could be dropping lower. So I'm gonna be setting up here my my exit strategy for half of my position, basically on the account that we could reject the 20 on the 5-minute chart, which I hate trading on the 5-minute chart, but again, I guess that's where it should be trading right now. So it's recovering past the previous candle closing on the 1-hour chart on my exchange, so that's fine, and I just gotta keep on updating this. Hit the 20. Come on, get through. If we get above the 20, have a good chance of getting to 72 cents again. But you know, we're facing resistance there, right? It is a 20 moving average. We know it's going to provide a resistance for us. And again, in my exchange is not moving, so it's pulling back down. Oh no! Get above it. Get above it. Come on. Have a minute and 42 to go. Ethereum is holding strong. Sorry guys, I lagged out on the chat. 70 cents on Coinbase. Something happened when we tested 50 cents. Now look at 3 days later. Yeah. What is going on, Fuddy? Dude, what is going on, Fuddy? Thank you for being here. We're super late. You'll buy your 5K at 61. Yeah, maybe, dude. I'm not sure we're going to hit 51, but that could be a good target to the downside, right? Again. 70 on Coinbase. Yeah, dude. Here we're retracing, trying to get to that 70 mark, right? We've hit it a couple times already. Or 69.80. And again, we're still trying to get above that 20. Yo, guys. It's super late. I've been live for a couple hours now. 3 hours and 5 minutes. I think I'm going to call it a stream for tonight. I need to do some trading also, and I can't get it done because the exchange is not letting me. I do want to stay and stick around. So I'm still trying to determine whether or not I should stick around a little bit longer. Yeah, I might. I'm trying to see what this is going to do. My exchange is pushing back down slightly still, but you know. Again, getting above the 20. Come on. Do it. We got 20 at 69.95, and we're at 70. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pull back. Yes. 72 cents. Come on. Get it there, man. Pushing back down. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Let's see the 1 hour. What's it doing, man? What's it doing in the 1 hour? Come on. Get above this area, man. Be beautiful. Be beautiful and get above 72, man. 72.5. That's going to be awesome. Again, I just keep on updating on my exchange because it just, the book's moving like crazy, man. By the time I put an order, I think it just keeps on updating it. So it's weird. I cannot jump to the top of the book for some reason. It's just insane. By the time I hit like sell, it's already moved and I cannot get the top of the book position. So that's weird. XLM, goodbye now. 16. Yes, I was thinking about selling, about buying back in and anything bearish. Wow, dude, yeah. Fatty, it looks like you're screaming. You were thinking about selling, about buying back in and anything bearish? Yeah, I'm not sure what you're talking about. We are getting that movement down. We were talking about this earlier, right? We're going too high too fast, and we're going to get pullback. And we got pullback. Now we're pushing back up, which is fine. We're below 70 cents. We're losing. Did we lose it on the 5 minute? I think we already closed it. We closed slightly above, dude. That 20 was at 69. We closed at 70.74. We're opening below the 20, which of course is proving to be resistance again. But let's see if we can get above. There's a better chance that we could try to get above. If we don't, we could be looking for a movement down below 65, and I wouldn't like to see that. That could probably get in for some people, maybe around 60 cents on that rejection, but it is what it is, guys. Right? We are seeing a lot of movement right now in crypto, which is good. It's gonna be a weird night tonight for a lot of people, I guess. All right, a lot of people are gonna be there. Tell my wife I need to buy more XRP. Right, she's gonna like smack me in the face. She wanted me to sell it when I went out for that small break. I was like when we were going up here. I told her like we're at like 79 cents. Dude. She's like sell now. I was like, no, I'm gonna wait because it could go to 86 cents. Now we're getting pulled back, and she's gonna be like, I told you to sell there. Flash crash, yeah, flash crash, Sean, dude, we flash crashed. I'm waiting for this to pull back up though, right, and recover slightly. We could be finding middle ground here, right? It could be that we're trying to consolidate now around the 68 to 70 cent mark. Let's see, that would be my guess right now, because this, right, will push back up and hit divergence, that's fine. But we did pull back up a lot, so thank you all for being here. 23 people watching. What the hell, dude? That's so many people. I don't think I ever had that many people. If you guys like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, by the way. We're watching XRP do the most interesting stuff that a lot of crypto has done in a short time, because none of the other projects have done much. Bitcoin still in the red, 76%. It's 0.76%. Ethereum recovering a little bit above the $600 mark, which is okay. Now let's wait for XRP to get above 72 cents again, or 70 cents. And we'll be good, right? We'll be back on track, and this would become like a small mistake, and then we could just keep on climbing. If you look at this, how I would look at this is I'll draw a rectangle to like try to black out some areas, right? Imagine that what happened here, right? What happened here? Right? Imagine this didn't happen. That's basically what we just did. We just corrected this insane pump and with that drop, right? And we're just getting continuation of where we left off here. Just view it that way, right? So we got a massive pump. We were talking about flash crashing. We talked about moving down. That we were gonna get that move, and we got it live. And now we're pumping back up. And if you look at this and you eliminate this area, you're gonna see that this is just getting continuation here. So again, we could try to continue growing, but we just have the 20 as resistance now. If we get above the 20, then yeah, we could be looking at maybe continuing here, because you can see that this close matches where this candle closed, right? Look at that. Right? I'll do a line here real quick just for your information. But that is pretty much, we're closing right where we left off, right? We're taking off from here, and we're trying to move back up again. Or actually redoing this candle. So just look at that like that way, right? It looks like an ABC correction setting up. Yeah, dude, it looks like an ABC correction setting up. We're going A, B, C. I'm not gonna do it to top. I'm just gonna show you like A, B, C, D, right? Like something like that. Is that what you're talking about, dude? Sean, I'm not gonna pinpoint it right now, but you know, I don't like here that it's just 0.87. Again, I'm not pinpointing it, but look at something like that here. I don't like doing ABCDs, dude. Something like that, right? And guess where that targets us? Very, very close to 86 cents, right? If this is to be a valid ABCD. Right? Now downside ABC. Yeah. I'm not going to pinpoint it. I'm just looking at that, right? Very quickly. To downside doing B. A, B, C, D, something like that. Is that what you're talking about? The 1618? Let's go to the 1618. But it's too short, man. I'm not sure, dude. We're getting above the 20, which is key. We're probably going to target again the 72 cent area. We're at 70 cents. Downside AT. Dude, join us on the Discord, dude. Steve, Sean, do you have good ideas? And it would be easier if you just share with me the chart. And I can look at that. $10 Bob. Banned? Did you get banned? Who got banned? What got banned? What? There is a bot in the chat. I'm not sure if you guys got banned or someone got banned. Did someone get banned? I didn't ban anyone, dude. So, maybe the bot? I gotta check. Tell me more information. General. It's bang out with 710. Okay, cool. Link to the article. Someone's posted something there. Jake. Alright, cool. I'm not sure, dude. Oh yeah, dude. There's a timer, dude. There's an anti-spam filter, so you cannot like send too many comments too fast. Otherwise, the bot is gonna like put you on a timeout for like I think it's like 5 minutes on a cool off, and then you can. Nah, it's probably the bot, dude. It probably time you out for 5 minutes. If you're typing too fast and consistently, it'll time you out. So it just said, you know, someone doesn't come in here and starts like going insane. Look, we're getting above the 20. Great. Now we're trying to hold on to that 20 as support. And we're going to likely head to this area again, right? And face resistance. That's the move I'm waiting for. That is the move I'm waiting for. Come on, pull back up. Pull back up. You can do it. You can do it. And again, my exchange, apparently now it's calmed down. It doesn't seem to be fluctuating a lot. Either data is stopped refreshing because I've been having problems with this exchange lately. The order book wasn't refreshing. Like I have to refresh the website so the order book refreshes. But then all of a sudden it did. It says like, it's weird. It says like, let's say it says like 76 cents here. And then over here on the sell side, it says like, 70 cents, and then over here on the buy side it says like 76, and then here 70. So I have to refresh, and then it adjusts, and then it shows me the reality again. But my exchange seems to have calmed down. Either that or the website, I need to refresh it. So I'm gonna refresh it real quick. It's acting weird. We also seem to have come to a standstill here. It was a shadow ban, no timeout. Did YouTube ban you or something? And again, here on the daily now, it don't look too bad, right? We've gotten these moves before. Sorry, on the 1 hour. Look, we got that move here. We insanely drop, right? Like this wick, and then we pulled it back up and still made it a positive candle. We also did another one here, right? Where we insanely pull back down, also pull back down, then we just continue. So I'm not too worried about this yet. See, my exchange not loading again. So there's something off with my exchange. I cannot see the data. I cannot see the books. It worries me that I cannot do trading properly. I am hardwired connected to the... I'm connected via hardwire, so it should be fine. And my recovery is there, man. I'm still recovering fine. I guess on my cell phone I can trade. But their interface in the phone is super bad, man. It only lets you buy and sell at market. It doesn't show you the book. It doesn't let you place orders. They have the most horrible... Yes, it's user-friendly for the people that don't know how to trade. But for the people that know how to trade, it's the most horrible thing because you only can do buy at market, sell at market, and then you get takers fees, and then you don't always match the best against the books. And I already did that once, and I hated it. So they have the worst thing. Shopify just tipped $5. Oh damn, dude! Thanks, awesome for that. If the animation's not showing up, it's because this keeps on disconnecting me. But thank you for that awesome tip, man. Wow, that is so kind of you, Shopify. Anonymous, I just came into the stream. Do you think XRP isn't going to go up anymore? Do I think it's the beginning of a bull run? Dude, we're on a bull run already. Do I think it's going to go up more? Maybe. If you put an A at the bottom of the red candle, then doing B up. Then if we turn lower, A plus B, C target. Dude, I'm not getting your comment, Steve. Sean, sorry. I think it's the first time that I haven't gotten your comment. Shopify, loving the stream. Thank you, man. Thank you so much for the kind tip, dude. For reals. Hey, I just gave the stream. You think? Yeah, dude, Anonymous, dude. You know, we're trying to like regain this area, right? Getting resistance, getting pulled back. The 5 minutes is gonna show us something weird, right? Like we're trying to move below that 20, but we're still okay. I'm trying to see if we're gonna retake 72 yet. I'm not super worried. It's okay. We gotta come down, right? We're creating hidden bullish. That's awesome. That's why we got this pump. Now we're probably gonna correct. Remember, ignore this area, right? This rectangle. Put it out of your trades and look at how this continued. And again, it's just regular market motion again, as if this wasn't here. And if we could cut it out and shorten it and paste this here, it will just look at like a small continuation, right? Like we're chilling at this level prior to that last pump that we pulled back. So no, I'm not worried. Not Shopify. Yeah, dude. Thanks, Soka. Crypto Boomer saying Kraken I find decent. Yeah, Kraken is cool, man. It's a good exchange. I just don't trade there. I don't even think I have an account. The problem is I live in Mexico City, and my onboarding exchange, the quickest one I can get to, is Bitso. If I like send money from my bank to Bitso, it gets there in like 3 seconds, and I can immediately buy crypto. I don't have to like wait for days for it to go through, or hours to go through. It's like super fast. So on that aspect, it's good. On the interface, I'm having problems right now. So, you know, the market seems to be coming down a little bit, so it's okay. Crypto with the web app is good, an order book, everything you need. Yeah, dude, that's awesome. The Bitso, like, I'll show you the Bitso interface, or I'll show it another day when I'm not logged in. I don't want to show my account on public. Not a good idea. That Romeo Voyager is fantastic. Yeah, dude, I'm in a couple of exchanges. Coinfield I hate. They gave me like $10 free to play with. I put it on solo. It took me a while to be able to buy something because it wouldn't let me. So why would they give you $10 if you cannot buy jack with it? Anyways, after a couple months, I was able to buy solo at like 36 or 27 cents or something like that. Now it's worth like 80 cents. So I've tripled. I think it was below 25 because it's worth like $30 right now in my account. And it doesn't let me sell, dude. I've been trying to cash out those $30 so I can buy something else. It doesn't let me get out of solo, which just sucks. Okay, so now you see A, the last red candle. So this last red candle. B, the recent high. So okay, okay, cool. Yeah, okay, I got it. So A, B. Then let me see where you want me to go with C. Now C coming in would be flat ABC. Yeah, no, but I don't think I can see. Like here? Is that what you're talking about? Then D would have to project up, though. That promising, guys. XLM will make you a lot of money bills, I guess. They look weird, really weird here on the chat, on the small chat. Let's see. Did XLM did the same pullback? We haven't looked at XLM. We've just been extremely focused on XRP. So let's go look at XLM, dude. XLM 16. Did it pull back down? Yeah, it did more or less the same, right? It went insanely high. It didn't go as high as XRP, but it still took that drop and it's starting to recover. Let's go to the 1 hour and see how it went there. Shit, the 1 hour don't look that good, right? 2 red candles. XRP had a green candle and then a red candle. But it's, again, recovering well to that 16-cent mark. It was and did hit 18, right? At least on Bitfinex. So I'm worried about this. No, look, we're going higher, more positive, higher on our side. We're overbought. I told you guys, we're highly overbought. We got to correct. We came down. We're still overbought here at 70.95. We got to cool off slightly more. It would be nice if we came here. Probably at some point when we were doing this large drop, we did cool off and hit the bot or even neutral zone before we pop back up. And that is fine. I mean, we do want to at least touch this area and get back out again. But we're highly overbought. Now, 69.30. So we're recovering a little bit here on that 1 hour. And again, waiting for this to really just come in and play nice. I was really hoping that we're going to able to consolidate up here. I hate the fact that we're rejecting 72. I told you guys 72 is a resistance. We managed to close above. Right now we're moving below. If we close below, We could be looking for at least a retest of 65, 63, and then if we break there, 58, right? So 58, 72, those would be targets to the downside. To the upside, if we break or manage to get above this area, 76, and then above that we have the 236 fib at 86.29 cents. Guys, something like CBC. All right, AB equals C. All right. Jasmine Washington. I think I might get some XLM at the end of the week just to watch it some. I was gonna trade in a little of your XRP for XLM since it earned, since you earned, but you rather wait. You're loyal to XRP. Yeah, XRP is an okay project. It's a good project. It's a solid project, right? They have a working project. Banks are using it, etc. It's not bad to diversify, right? I have a couple projects. I do hold XRP. It's, you know, if you come to this channel, you know the story. I have XRP bag. One I use for trading. The other one I use for keeping around. So, but yeah, XRP is it's fine. It's a good project. It's decent. They do good stuff there. Dude, I didn't ask you who donated, dude. Dem home saying rockets. Yes, dude, we're getting pullback right now. We're doing inverse rockets right now. Not yet, not for the full time, right? But we're doing inverse rocket on this candle. Hi, man. I'm original from Mexico City. No, I'm not original from Mexico City. Voyager is fantastic. You know, AB. Okay, cool. Yeah, excellent. We'll make you money. All right, I'm just checking out, make sure I'm not missing anything. Shopify, dude. I'm sorry. I'm not sure if your, your tip came in through the tip jar or not. If you didn't see the animation, let me know, because I want to see how, or if I'm having troubles with some of these things, because it's not showing up here on my feed, right? So usually I get this to show up here. It says like someone tipped, but if it's not coming in, I gotta check out why it didn't come into the tip jar. I do have this small animation for y'all guys to see, but I do want it to show up when you guys tip. So right, you should diversify. That's why you're thinking. Just see if XLM will dip. Let the week ride out, then add some. XRP is handling business. Yes, XRP is handling business, but it's pulling back down right now. Bearishly engulfing the previous candle. We don't want to see that. We want to see this closing above and not do a bearish engulfing candle, because a bearish engulfing candle could bring action to the downside. High for 20 minutes showing support at the 15-minute chart. Maybe, dude. Yeah, we hit support already. About to find support there again on the 15-minute chart. I agree. Maybe on your chart that you're using, it already hit support. The 30-minute chart, we're far off though, and this is what I want to see. I don't want, like here, look, beautiful, man. XRP dollar on Bitstamp, right? Where do we go on that movement down on this previous half-hour candle? The 20. The 20 was at 62185. We hit a low of 62. So we hit the 20, we rejected, right? So that is fine. We could still come down to the 20, and we talked about that, right? A movement would be to the 20. Now I'm looking at the 15-minute. I'm looking at all the charts, right? So here we also rejected. We're looking like we want to, look. I'm not gonna call this a flag because it's not a real pull, but we're sort of consolidating right now. So that's why things seem to have slowed down a little bit more. Why cannot I see my exchange, bro? My exchange is just not wanting to load at all, dude. It's just gone offline, I think, on their website. It's just freaking weird, man. I think we're good reading the charts, but you'll never really learn a lot watching. Yeah, dude, thank you, man. Thank you, Justin. Sorry. Thank you for watching. Yeah, awesome. Subscribe, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? Do those little things that are gonna pop up on the screen. Let me see what, dude. 20 people watching, awesome, dude. I don't think I ever had 20 people watching at the same time. At some point in time, we hit 24 people, dude. I think this is the best stream so far for this channel. Yay, crypto market. Yeah. Thank you guys for liking, and there's 22 people watching. It just shows At least I see that I have 13 likes. I'm not sure how many likes it shows up on your screen, but if you haven't done it, smash that like and that sub. I'm still like trying to figure out what else. I'm almost about to sign off though. Yeah, dude, isn't it cool, man? We have so many people watching. Like, so many people have stopped by as well, man. Like, 223 people have played back, but none of them, like, maybe some of them stayed for a little bit. Dude, it's like midnight and like half past midnight for me. So if you have any questions, now's the time to ask them. Otherwise, I'm going to be calling it a stream. I need to get some sleep. I do got to work tomorrow in the morning. I'm not going to get a good night's sleep because the chart's going to keep me up probably. But I am going to be signing off soon. We'll be out for 3 hours and 33 minutes. And it's a good stream. And my voice starting to feel tired. Like my throat is starting to hurt a little bit. So sending me a chart to the Discord. Yeah, sure, bro. Get some XLM? Yeah. I'm waiting for the chart to come through. Spectre, let me know. And Deborah Romeo, yeah, get some XLM. Yeah, dude. Someday I'll get XLM. Have a good night. I'm not going to sign off yet. I'm going to check out this chart that Spectre sent me here on the... Wow, dude, Spectre, you got to clear up your chart a little bit. Okay, I see you're finding support in an uptrend. That's fine. I'm not sure what you want me to see here. Let me know. I have no problem showing the image. All right, you're gonna bid stamp XRP on the 1 week. All right, cool. Yeah, you have an uptrend support. Yes, that is fine. That's what it's propelling you to the upside. You haven't quite hit that resistance here. You're looking at what, the 236 at 86 cents. Yeah, that's more or less what I have also, right? From high to low, that's great. Yeah, all-time high to low, that's awesome. It works. It's 100% there, and then you have some other fibs on top of stuff, so it makes it a little bit weird for me to look at. You have too many fibs, but yeah, we have that same data here at 86, right? And that happens to be congruent with the top of the next part of the channel. I think you have fib channels. I have fib channels, but I have them differently. I have them as equidistant channels, so I have them spaced 25% every time. What do you want me to see here, man? I'm not sure. Confluence between the channel and 230. Yeah, that's what I was saying, right? Here, you're looking at they're both resistances. You don't want to see that because that's going to reject you hard when you get there. You have double resistance at 236, and that line going up. Crypto Boomer, Nightman 140 for you. Yeah, go work in 4 hours. Yeah, dude, it's been a long stream. Thank you for being here, Crypto Boomer. I think I'm gonna sign off too, dude. I gotta work. I gotta get some sleep and work also tomorrow early. But yeah, I'm looking at. Yeah, see what you're saying, dude. 236 channel and 236 fib. Yeah, dude. I get. Yeah, I noticed that you had it in fibs because the spacing, right? I had them equidistant. You have them in fibs. That's fine. They work. Now I was also looking at this. I know you have your charts in linear, and that's why I have so much space between things. But yeah, that's gonna provide resistance today if we were to hit that area. But that's gonna be fine. I wouldn't worry too much about that yet. I'll tell you though that 0, 236, 382. I guess this is a 50, 618. Then I'm not sure if this is your 100%. But if this is your 100%, you should really look to anchor here, or at least get to the all-time high, right? Just squeeze it over there. It should shift this line. Or maybe this is your 100 and I should just shift it slightly more. I'm not sure how you have your things, but anyways, we don't break till December. Look up your monthly. Look at the monthly and we go through there. Anyways, you're out. Yeah, I'm going to be out too, man. Thank you guys for being here again. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub. Again, this is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Monday night, dude. It's been a hell of a ride this weekend and this day. So thank you for being here. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Stellar Crypto. Until then.